options today. As I'm waiting for Todd to eat lunch and get into the session, I just want to take this time to do an overview of what we're going to do. So when he gets in here, we can get right to trading. We are starting a new session, a new plan. It's been a little while. I will tell you, I'm just doing this as journal entry because I think Todd's writing a book about our journey. So episode 60 is kind of a big episode. And we have been trading for, I don't know, just about 2 months. We started this journey right around this time last year. I was on vacation with my parents, and it was their anniversary. I started an account, and, then we've just been kind of obsessing over this thing. I started a YouTube channel called Music City Trader 4 or 5 months ago, and then Todd and I said, let's do this together. So we've been mostly posting on Fascinating World of Binary Options. You can follow us on Telegram. And, basically, we're going to start over today. And, we started over yesterday, and we had some good wins. We had loss, win, win. My struggle has been with the martingale and convincing myself that I should keep using the martingale system. Because the martingale is hard, because the martingale causes you to lose money sometimes when you lose trades. But Todd has been telling me, well, if you are good enough to win without the martingale, then you surely can win with the martingale. And I think I've kind of come to the conclusion that he's right. I've been watching people online do this binary options. Sometimes they just hit the button over and over and over again, and they get their account real low, and then all of a sudden it springs back up. We're actually working towards a little safer, more sustainable way to trade because I kind of see this as my next career. And I know Todd does for sure. I see this as my next career if we can actually learn this. And so we're looking for, and that's why we built these sheets and everything. You can join the inner circle, get the sheets. You can take some of our courses. But right now, moving forward, what we're doing is we're trying to get to level 15, and each level is basically a day or on a number of wins. So we're going to win 3 trades a day. I mean, today we might change this a little bit, but that's what we always do. We like to change stuff. So yesterday we won our 3 trades. We got up to level 2. So today we should be level 2, and every 3 trades we'd move up. And when we get to level 15, we will be at, we'll have a trading balance of $800, starting at only $25. We'll have $871. We'll be making about $84,000 a year if you just stopped at that level. And your weekly pay by trading this is 7 days a week. You trade 7 days a week, then you actually make $1,700, a week. So you can go up if you go up to, let's say you don't stop at this level and camp out. Let's say you just keep going every day and going up and up and up. By the time you get to day 30, then you're actually making $3 million a year or $11,000 a day, $78,000 a week. So, but the problem with all of these charts are, there's Todd. I think I should let him in. I'll let him in. Problem with all of these charts are if you lose along the way, you kind of get thrown back. So that's why we started fortifying, and fortifying actually works pretty
everybody.
good. Yeah, there he is.
Pay no attention to what Eric's saying.
I'm actually telling him the dang truth.
All right,
I'm telling him the truth, man. The truth is, your green shirt looks good, and
it's the same one I had on yesterday. I haven't showered yet, so I'm
good.
being a bum. It's my day off, and I just finished eating.
So
basically, got some crap to do yet. So
I've been talking about what we've been doing. This is our 60th episode, and it's kind of like a little journal entry of what we're doing, and then I think we'll end this.
Hey, Gotham, how you doing?
Oh. Hey, Gotham's in.
I just finished eating Chick-fil-A.
Okay. Well, that's very random. I was having a really good session.
I know.
You just came in and started talking about your shower and your food and everything. But, should we go ahead and get this thing started and start trading? Or should we decide, are we going 5 deep? Are we going for 4 deep or 3 deep? We need to make that decision before we start. Are we going to go 3 deep? You want to just do 3 deep and just try to win 3, 4, or 5 trades?
Yeah, I think that we should stay 3 deep.
All right, we're staying 3 deep, folks, and we're going to win. Well, our goal is to win 3 trades. Maybe we win them real fast. Maybe we win 6. But let me write this down. So our trade today on 3 deep, that means we have 3 martingale trades to lose. Is a 390 is our first trade. So I mean it goes up really high, really fast. So we have 390. and then we have 880, and then we have 1980. Hopefully we never get to that. That's our trades for today.
To decide here.
So we pretty much know that, and then what do we have to decide? What actual method we're using?
Right. What strategy we're going to use, because my strategy is pretty good. It's faster, but
well, I think that we can do both. I mean, not both, but I think that I can actually check your work basically by you saying, okay, I think this is going down. I probably will agree with you, bro. Like yesterday, I agreed with you. When you found that stuff, I just said, yeah, it is. It's going down. I mean, look at it. I mean, I checked my 15, I mean, I'm just going to, you are good at just kind of looking at these charts and knowing which way they're going. There's only 3 of them at 92%. And then the stocks, I don't know why. Maybe it's Friday. And then there's, let's try to stay at 92% if we can. But we can go down to 86. We can go down to 80, 83. There's a bunch of stocks that are in 80, 82, 83, and then 90. So basically, what I'm looking for in my strategy, and it's like the double cross alligator, I'm looking for the stochastic to come out of oversold, right? And then I go up here like Euro NZD is doing it right now. Look at Euro NZD. Euro NZD is coming out of it right now. I'm not sure that it's gonna do it. I'm looking for not even that. I'm looking for a stochastic to cross out of overbought or oversold with the trend. See, this is against the trend, but Todd's looking for something totally different. What are the 1 minute alligator settings? Can you tell me that? It's 13, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2. I think that's it. That's 13, in your. I'm in
8,
your
9, 5, 6, 2. Yes.
Okay, yeah. This is the alligator settings for 1 minute. I'm going to telegram this to everybody, just because.
See, and according to this, okay, this is. See, if you look at NZD USD right now.
Yeah.
Okay, those alligators are crossed down right now, but but there's also like a major line, and what I look for is also support and resistance.
Oh my gosh.
That's like a solid line across there. So I would not yet think that that's actually going to go down just yet. It might, but it's going to have to kind of break out of that for me to even think that would be.
It's at a big line, yeah, so it ain't going down.
Right, so that's, I'm just saying that's kind of like something that I consider, when I decide this. So even though they're crossed down, see how the lines have crossed?
Yeah, they're crossed down. I can see it. It's also at the bottom of the stochastic's already been out of there for a while. I mean, if this broke that line, that's possible it could be a breakout, but I don't know. I mean, I would be I'd be okay with taking whatever trade you want today. We've got 3 losses. I think we can take trades that we think are going to win. Euro
right,
NZD.
If we think they're going to win, that's the whole.
Euro NZD is it's probably not going to do that either. Cross that one was the one I was late to. Wow,
Yeah,
USD RUB.
Huh?
USD RUB is going down and it's just wide open.
Right, but now you see how the alligators are kind of cricked and they look kind of like.
Yeah, like they kind of went down and they cricked and okay.
Yeah, that
and they crossed a long time ago.
In my strategy, how they cross or how soon they cross is not so much what I'm looking for as much as the real direction of the trend.
Okay.
But
are you looking for them to cross down and be making a trend decision?
Well, I kind of look at the trend and if it's actually moving there, and then I try to find a good position. So for instance, see how this candle's sort of shooting up green there a little bit?
I'm not looking at that anymore, but yeah. Which one?
On USD RUB.
Okay.
So the current candle, it's kind of like going in and out of.
Yeah.
Okay, and now it decided to go down. Well, while it was green there, if I thought, okay, the whole chart is moving down.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it's not.
I actually think this one is going down probably.
But while it was up green, I probably would have, snagged it real quick and taken the put on it in a better position. That's how I would win something like this. But this one also isn't moving very fast, and that's why I didn't want to get involved with this because it isn't moving down very quick at all. In fact, it could
Right.
go back up. Who knows?
And it looks like it's consolidating in the 15 second, so it doesn't really look like it's.
Yeah.
it's
So I mean,
coming.
yeah, and so the 15-second could. It's possible that it could give you some more confirmation on whether or not you're entering a good trade.
What about FedEx? Look at FedEx. FedEx is definitely in a direction, and I don't know if it's going up, but it looks like it's in a direction. It's over.
It is. It's at a massive line, though. I mean, if you look back,
Okay.
that was a really strong line back there, a resistance line, and it's right
Okay.
there right now. So that also is a factor. It might break that. Then again, there's no telling for sure. Yeah, I mean, this is one where I would likely wait for a red candle. If I thought it's going up, and then it goes down, and then. But I wouldn't enter on this, okay? Because that red candle, there's some red flags here.
All right. Look
There-
at Visa.
it's a
Visa is
massive
actually,
line.
in my estimation, Visa is actually getting set up to go down. In my 15-second indicator, and in stochastics, the oversold is going. It's possibly going to go down. I don't know yet. I mean, it's just setting up to possibly end up going down soon. You can look at that and see.
Well, everything's shooting up, but it is at a line. There's a big.
right.
It's
I
also
think
right at.
from
So is it possible it could go down from here? Yeah, it's possible.
right. That's what I'm
Um,
saying. If it sets up, I'm looking at stochastic, and
What,
I'm
what are
looking
you
at
seeing on in your 15-second there?
on the Visa.
Right.
I'm seeing that it's getting ready to turn. I'm seeing that it's starting to turn around. I'm seeing
Show
that
it to
it's
me.
well, it's starting to go back up now. I mean, it's going up. Then it was getting ready to turn. Now it's heading back up. So this one actually, I'm not sure.
I
I
see you,
think
Gotham.
that one
Have a good day.
Gotham's taking off.
Yeah.
Gotham. So Euro USD. I'm just looking around for different things to set
Show
up.
me 15 seconds on Visa.
Well, Visa's tanking up now. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You
it
could
is.
probably
Now,
win.
this
You
is
could probably win a call on that one. Is it?
Yeah, this is okay. So if it broke that line there, which it did,
Yeah. You could probably wait till this pops
there's
down
kind
and
of
take a
another
call
one
on it.
there though. There is another one back there. So I don't know. It looks like it's about to drop actually. Or it
Yeah,
could.
I mean, it wanted to
Yeah.
before, and now it's starting to do this. So, like, if it starts dropping, and it starts crossing through that other line, stochastic's going
See,
to have to
no,
cross.
this
it.
is not one I would take any kind of action on because it looks like it's starting to fall, turn around. It's doing some different stuff here. But the alligators telling me that it's going up.
Yeah,
So all the indicators show it's up. So the overall trend is moving up.
right,
So if it's doing something contrary to that, I wouldn't
right.
take it.
You're probably right about that. Unless
I
it
don't.
turns around.
I don't go for fakes here.
Yeah, I don't think we should be going for fakes either. Amazon's going down. Look at Amazon. I'm gonna look at the 15-second on Amazon. I don't know.
Okay,
It's
Amazon
getting to it.
is about to.
It's hitting the white line right now. So it looks like this is probably going to be a fake because it's actually an uptrend. I'm just looking around for anything that I think is an actual good entry. And I'll tell you when I think something's decent. But if you find something good, let me know.
Well, that's okay. Yeah, that's hitting the white line, but that's also.
It's hitting the white line.
Yeah. See, now if that went green, yeah, like that, and if I felt like this is ultimately gonna go down, then when it went green, then I would take the position on a put, take the higher position. But
Huh.
I don't know how far down that's going to go.
Huh.
There's also a big consolidation line right behind it back there on the other side of that.
I'm late there. I'm late. Oh, I remember yesterday. Yesterday, our method was find these crosses when they're happening, not after they've already happened.
Right.
So I'm trying to look in the 15 seconds for like some early setups. That's where I thought Visa was going. Oh, it was Visa's tanking up, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, it sure is.
FedEx might actually be. FedEx is actually. I think FedEx is going down. The stochastic is crossing down. And the 15-second is kind of going down, but it's kind of.
What does 15
consolidating.
seconds show you?
It's at this point right here where it's starting to cross through.
Oh,
Just
like that?
yeah, it just popped through just like that. But I'm not. But I think it's going down. I think it's going
Yeah, I mean,
down. But I
everything
don't know.
shows that it is.
I don't know that it's still going because it's at a line right now. It went through there, it popped through there, but I could just watch that one and see. So the MACD is about to cross. The moving averages are about to cross. The stochastic is coming out oversold, but it's kind of at a line of consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not so convinced that it's going to the white line, but it is flat, so it could.
But there's a lot of pressure in this candle here going
Yeah,
up. but-
it could turn around like so easy. It's probably not going to do what I think it's going to do. I mean, it could go down. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? Candle Whisperer? Candle Whisperer? Do you think this is going to end up going down?
I don't know. When I look at this, that whole thing looks kind of straight and sideways.
Yeah.
It didn't really round down per se. It's kind of just. It's almost like a game of Tetris here. It's like little
Yeah.
blocks with
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah, it's like,
if it looks really blocky like that, then that's a more of a consolidation, to me. What do I
right.
know?
No, you know what you're saying.
Now this candle right here has the potential to break down out of that, but I don't know that it's going to. It doesn't look like it wants to.
It doesn't, no, the momentum inside the candle doesn't really show that yet either. I mean, it's already crossed through.
I mean, it's
it
pushing down a little bit out
It's
of
like
there, but
either
not-
way. I think this is like either way. And
This
that's
could
the
just
problem.
end up going back up. It just is
right,
not.
right. And look, the 15-second is basically like that. It could totally flip and go back up from here. It's nowhere near like pointing down.
Now Amazon, holy smokes, Amazon is a freaking waterfall. Like,
Yeah. Amazon was nice.
yeah, like if that popped up green there for a second, I mean, it's borderline tempting. At 3 deep, I don't know that I would, but it's real tempting just to take that.
Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of
Because it could turn
consolidating.
around too, It's hard
Yeah,
to
it's
say.
kind of consolidating right now in the 15-second. It's like up. It's at 3 little green candles. It's got a lot of green pressure. I'm not saying it's not going to go
Yeah,
back
it does
down.
now.
See, the 15-second on this one looks like
But
this.
this is okay. This is like my strategy right here. See, while it's green, like I would be
Yeah.
tempted to take a put there, and that because the alligators show it's going down. I don't actually do it, but while it's up, you would take
Yeah,
the
the
put.
alligator's crossed. I think you're right about that. You want to
And
put this
then
one?
okay,
Look at
and
the
then ultimately
alligators.
it's going to go back down, and see it's dropping. There it goes, boom. You would have a high position there, and it would be a massive win. See, that's basically my strategy. That's how that works. I just showed you. Like now, if this continues down, now if it turns around, then yeah, I mean you're sunk. But
Yeah,
and
just
now
look
it's
at the
turning
internal-
around, so
Look at the
now you'd
internal
be-
candles. Look at the 15-second. I mean, it went up and went down. It's actually consolidating in this little spot, and it
Yeah.
might turn around here. It's hard to know. That would
yeah,
have.
see, right now you'd probably be losing it. So,
Yeah, right.
But that's the strategy, though. If it looks like it's going down, and it
I don't know
depends
that
on
you can. I don't know. I mean, it's hard.
I mean, yeah, you could still be winning it. It just depends.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh there
Yeah,
you go.
I guess there you go. I mean, I'm borderline thinking that the next candle is going to be a red one because, just because it kind of got that out of its system there, and it's probably just going to keep going down from here. But who knows? Maybe not.
It's
I
kind of
wouldn't
confused.
play with it.
This one's
I'm
kind of
just-
confused.
Um,
The alligators, yeah. I mean, this one's, I like more momentum in my entries. I like, like Amazon is already oversold and it's already, I mean, it's wide open. Could go down for another 30 candles.
yeah.
But that's trend surfing, which is what we used to do, and we used to do pretty good at it. And you would have been winning this one, and you would have won that one and this one. You would have won that if you would have taken that position up there on that green candle. You would have been good, But like, why are you worried about taking it? Okay, I'm looking for two things. Stochastics that are oversold, and like MPGBY, and crossing. Oh, here's one. NZD/USD. Let's see what that looks like.
Why am I worried about what?
Why would you not take that? I mean, you saw that one and you called it right.
Well, what if I didn't color it?
I don't know. Bro.
Okay. Okay. Visa. What do you got going on the 15-second in Visa?
Oh my gosh, Visa looks great, man. Yeah, dude, we could take a put on that like right now in this next candle.
What do you got in the 15-second? Anything?
It's just crossed the second red line. I mean, it's right here.
Because look, it's still in an uptrend.
Look,
Okay. And it could go back up, so I want to
yeah,
see.
look at that. Look at how that.
Yeah. It didn't go all the way through.
Huh. But then I caught Visa when it originally went through this line right up here, and I caught it back there.
That would have been one we would have taken.
Yeah, I would have caught it like at 20, 28, 30.
Mm-hmm.
What would it look like here? 20, 28. Yeah, I would have caught it. Yeah, look how, man, dang. Yeah, it's
So
going
is that
back up.
one we would have lost?
Well, if we would have taken it up here, we would have won this. Probably take this second red candle when it crossed.
I'm not
Mr.
so sure
Custer.
that it isn't gonna go back down though. I mean, look at all that pressure it just let off of. It just like
Uh-huh.
lost all its steam. Now it feels
Mhm.
like it could.
Well, yeah, look at the 15-second. It looks like it's going to cross through again. But it's too dangerous. That one's too
It's very dangerous.
volatile.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like going up and down, up and down, up and down. It seems like it'd be easier to take a.
What's going on Amazon in 15 seconds?
It's starting to turn around.
What is?
Amazon. It's.
Show me the
Looks like-
15.
It looks like it might. If it crosses through that line, it might keep going. But I don't know. It might just keep going down. It's in a
I
massive.
want to watch
downturn.
this in 15. You keep the 15-second up for me. I'm going to flip between the two. All right. So keep that up there so I can see what it's doing. I want to watch this for a second. Because it's not yet showing me that it's turning around, but it looks like it could. I think this is actually turning around. It could be.
Well, the
consolidated.
stochastic just crossed, so if the 15-second, if you think this next one's going to be green and that 15-second candle and that 15-second line kind of goes that way, if it can break that big red candle, it is a downtrend though, a pretty strong downtrend.
It is a downtrend, but it's also looking like it's
Also,
pretty
was at
forcefully
It was at a
going
pretty
up.
strong line and it's going up. There it's breaking the first line of the green. You know, unless it would just turn right around. You think this
yeah,
next
unless it
candle?
turns around, it's going to go through that.
You think it's going green? I mean, you think this next candle's gonna be green? I guess we don't have to take the next candle. We can wait and see if it pressures down. Like, do you think I should take this? Take the dip.
Um,
Look at that thing.
is it still blowing through there?
Yeah, it's getting ready to. I mean, it's going down a little bit. It's getting a little pressure relief, but you know, I think if it blows through like this 15-second candle, if it
I would maybe take the dip on this red one. I think it's worth the try. If that look at the 1 minute when that dips, take it. Like about now, I would probably take it.
why am I taking a $4.73 trade?
I don't know, but you're losing your
Oh
position.
crap! I just took it in my dad's account. Dang it.
Okay, well we're losing it here. So
Well, I'm winning it on my dad's account, Dweebo.
well, I'm not in your dad's account, and you're missing out on this. Okay, don't take it now. Don't take it.
I'm not
It's too
taking it.
late.
I'm not taking because I switched
screwed it up.
screens. I can't switch screens again. That was too confusing. I have to leave the 15-second candle up there. I just took the trade on my dad's account.
Okay, well
That's okay.
we lost it. Don't take it. Don't take it.
Well, I'm not going to do it. It's losing right now on his
Yeah.
account. Look at that. Let's see here. 15 seconds. Good thing that wasn't like a $46 trade or something.
Yeah. Well, is it just totally tanked?
Well, it did tank.
Yeah, that was a big turnaround though.
Yeah, I just totally lost. Okay, I'm glad that we lost it.
At least your dad took one for the team. Thanks,
Took
Dave.
one for the team, Dad. Well, okay, so that scared me because that was a massive green candle. We should have taken that candle when it. See, in my scenario, we should have taken that as soon as it crossed the stochastic and it crossed the first. Like if you look at this 15-second scenario, as soon as it crossed this line right here, this bottom line, and started going that way, it had a bunch of pressure. We would have won it. We waited till it got through there, and then we took it, and it just turned around.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a massive downtrend. So,
Well, yeah, but downtrends turn around, so.
right, I thought that was turning around, but that candle kind of scared me. That big old candle. I thought I was waiting for you to say something.
Well, I thought
Well,
it was still going up towards the white line. is what
Okay,
I
I'm
thought.
going back to my.
We were using your strategy. That was your strategy. We were
Yeah.
literally looking at it in 15 seconds, waiting for it
No,
to
that wasn't my
break through.
strategy. No, because we didn't take it quick enough. As soon as stochastic crossed, and then as soon as it started heading up through here, when the stochastic crossed, and then this happened right here. We should have taken that trade right
Okay,
there. We
right,
should have
okay,
entered in
yeah,
about
you're
right
right, you're
here,
right.
and then
Yes,
it would have went
that's
1,
true.
2, 3, 4, and we still would have won. We would have had to get that in like right as it touched there, because it stochastic crossed too. It stochastic crossed. Wherever it is. What was that? Visa?
That was Amazon, I thought.
That was Amazon. So that Amazon crossed over in the stochastic and started heading up. And right around here, I should have entered. I should have entered right about here, right when that 15-second entered, instead of waiting until it got giant and then entering because it was going up. So
Odd
my
NZD, man, that's a nice waterfall there.
odd NZD, yeah. But anyway, so basically we don't have to worry about that loss. This is going to turn around in the 15-second. I'm going to go look for 15-second setups, the ones that I think are going to push through. That one already did it. Because, dude, the 15-second push through is a pretty good indicator of momentum. And if it
It is,
lines up
yes.
with anything else that we're seeing, then you can pretty much just go through the 15-second candles and see if any of them are turning around or getting ready to.
Okay, what's happening with odd NZD in the 15-second? It looks like it's kind of like a turnaround, not a turnaround, but
Yeah,
maybe
It looks like
maybe
it's
the
getting ready to go
early
back up.
stages of what we missed on Amazon.
Yeah, odd NZD is getting ready to go up. It's kind of hooking up right now. So It
Look at it
crossed
in-
over.
Look at the 15 second though and see.
Well, it's not there yet. I mean, look at it. It's
Okay,
getting
but is
ready
it
to.
about to be?
Well, look at it. It's turning around. I can't leave this down here, but it's turning around. Look at it. It's going around. If
Yeah.
it touches, if this green hook goes up and crosses over that one, and it still looks like it's going up in your mind, we should make that our
Mhm.
entry point.
Okay, well I'm looking at it in 1 minute.
Yeah.
so if
am
you
I.
see it do that, you tell me, and I'll tell you, because right now it's turning back around the other way.
Yeah.
so-
Right now it's like wanting to go down. That's weird. That's weird. But
I
it's sitting
noticed
on.
the charts are.
but
I
it's
mean,
sitting on
there's some. There's some volatility. I mean, they're kind of doing some weird stuff. Like,
Yeah, it is Friday. It's kind of sitting on some.
this is almost another like you can almost take a put at the bottom of this red candle.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because it kind of flipped back down, but.
But whether or not it'll flip back up again, we don't know.
Because your alligators did cross. See, you could almost follow your 1 minute alligators because they crossed as soon as it double crossed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you look at your 1 minutes on this, up there where the green the alligator crossed the second line, it tanked
Yeah.
from there.
Right.
You know what
Yes,
I mean?
that's usually what happens.
Well, why don't you just look
And a
for
lot of
1
times
minute?
A lot of times they work like that. Yeah.
Well, then why don't you just look for 1 minute charts that are about to cross down like that? Forget all the other lines and just ask me to look at the 15 second and then just go with it.
Well, you
because
don't always find them crossing over. I mean,
This is already like look at Visa. Visa's about to do it right now. Visa's setting up to actually get ready to start going down, and Visa just crossed in the 15 second a little bit ago. It's kind of farting around, but if it starts going down and actually gives us a good cross,
then yeah, that's gonna
then
cross through. Yeah.
it might. I mean, if it does, that's your indication to get in on that one.
Well,
Just
what's
look for-
15 seconds
Oh
doing
crap!
in
Look
Visa
at
right
Euro
now?
USD. Euro USD is actually going up on the 1 minutes right now. Look at that.
USD.
Euro USD is
I don't see it.
it's at 82%. It crossed through the first red line right now. I mean, I don't know what it's gonna do. Oh crap! What just happened? I don't know what happened. It just kind of
Oh.
jumped.
Oh, I see it. Euro USD.
Yeah. See, look,
Yeah.
it's getting ready to spend its juice right here. I mean, it's gonna go boom. But it may be over by now.
Yeah, I was wondering that. But see, 15 second tells you when it's starting out. This
See,
kind of
this is already like cranked up on the 15 second.
yeah, like it's way into it.
But would it line up? Well, that crossed through the white line a little bit ago, which means it might get rid of it. Might. I'm going to leave my white line on just because I always do. Yeah, I'm not sure that this is going to keep going up. But look at FedEx, dude. FedEx just crossed through. You can find a ton of them crossing through. Look at
Yeah,
that.
you missed. I told you one stock, but what was it?
Well, look at FedEx. It's going down like a nut cake, man.
Visa. Visa is one that we could catch early, because
Oh, Visa. Okay, yeah, Visa's starting to cross now. Visa's going down. I'll look at the 15 second and tell you what I think. I mean,
it's been kind of moving slowly down. It hasn't turned with any kind of momentum, but
yeah, Visa's kind of janky.
kind of yeah.
I'm not really sure about Visa. Visa looks kind of janky. I look at FedEx. See,
Yeah,
FedEx,
is like totally
that's doing exactly
down,
what
but that's
I thought
a
it was
big
gonna
candle right there. That's a big candle. So this candle right
Right.
here is probably it's gonna probably go green for a little bit. Maybe it may not if it's got
do. Yeah,
that
but
kind of
look
momentum.
back when FedEx crossed its second line. That's when we should have entered. We should have entered like 2 or 3 candles ago because it was going
Right.
down. It crossed over. It opened up. Like as soon as it did that, we should have taken it because we would have won that big time. So I'm saying, look at NZD/USD, dude. NZD/USD is doing exactly what that just did a minute ago. It's-
NZD USD.
Yeah, look at it. NZD/USD crossed through the first white line. It's at the white
Okay.
line right now. I mean, it's
Yeah.
sitting at the white line, which is dangerous. But if it crosses through the white line and crosses through that second red line,
Mhm.
then everything is pointing up right now. I mean, I don't know what the 5 seconds, 15 seconds tell me. They don't really tell me much because they're kind of already. That's the problem with the 15 seconds.
They've already shot through.
They've already shot through, but this is a longer. This is a longer thing. Look at that. So it's at the white line. You'd have to almost wait till it broke this white line, and wait till it
Yeah, it's
crossed
like
through that.
right on that white line right now.
Yeah, and it's
But
okay.
if you think it's going through, then in my
in my
philosophy-
estimation, it's going through.
right? Okay,
Because
while
look
that
at the-
candle was red, while it was red, if I really felt like my gut feeling was it's going through, I would have taken it there while it was still red.
Right,
just to
because this
gain the
next candle,
position.
but now it's getting ready to cross. You see what the green line is getting ready to touch now, and if it shoots through this, then I should just take the dip and take the call on it. If it shoots through,
Yeah, if this dips and you're confident it's going up, you should just take the. Yeah,
Well, do
like
you
if
think I
this
should take
dips,
it?
if this dips, I would take it.
If it dips, or like right now, it's dipping. I'm taking
Yeah,
it.
okay.
Well,
hold
okay, it
on,
went back
hold
up.
on. Let it dip.
So if it goes down about halfway,
but right now, you're just gonna get the rest of the candle because it's okay. Take it.
there it
Okay.
shot. Okay, it shot through.
Then we took a, but then it just dipped down like it just dropped.
That's okay. It
So
might, but unless this turns around, completely turns around. And that was a kind of a massive, like that was kind of a correction drop right there.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, that was pretty abnormal drop. That was.
And you know
that I
what
was-
we could have done is we could have waited until the candle opened, or we could have taken a longer trade because I don't know. Is this one of those things?
Well, we
where-
did, dude. That was not expected. We did not see that coming.
Yeah, because look, it was kind of that. Yeah, that was a
freak thing, dude. That doesn't normally happen either.
No, that's what I'm saying. That was a and it still might win, dude. We got 12 seconds. See, it's shooting through. It's shooting up, dude.
Come on. Go.
There we go.
Dang
Oh,
it.
see, okay. So we could
Son of a
almost
gun.
call that. We could almost have recalled it, but no, I
No,
don't think we should.
I wouldn't at this point.
880. Okay, 880. So I don't know. Okay, it shot through now. Is it going up? I don't know. I mean, look at
No,
it. It's,
this is done. That's busted.
so, in my opinion, on this method, you should probably take it when you think it's going, before it shoots through that second line. I mean, it was going, and it's almost like the second. If you wait till the second line confirmation, you can lose it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It feels like if you wait too long when these get set up, then you wait too long. Like
Right.
Okay, we're at second trade.
Mm-hmm.
Well, go find me a winner, dude.
Yeah, I'm looking.
But see, most of the time,
Yeah. No, I'm not getting in on this, but yeah, there's one that just broke through.
there's several that just broke through.
but that's I'm not.
But like when they break through, do they really break through? That one turned around on us kind of weirdly.
Yeah, that was not normal, dude. That was not normal.
Yeah, it like corrected itself right away. It like just boom shot.
Okay,
down.
like here's okay. Whoa, no, never mind. Okay, I was gonna say Visa, but look at Visa real quick. I want to show you something about it. Don't take it. but
Okay.
look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, so the line. Okay, you're.
Well, it's getting ready to double cross with the trend. I bet this is going up, but I'm not saying we should take it. I'm just saying the MACD is about to cross with the trend. I don't think it's going to go up though. It's at a line of resistance.
Right, and that
Support.
the line only went through one line, only crossed through one of the alligator lines.
Yeah.
It didn't cross through both. It's a red flag.
Mm-hmm.
Holy
Amazon.
smokes, look at FedEx, dude. Look at FedEx.
Yeah.
look at
That's
what
yeah,
we.
dude. we've been just farting around, and we could have won.
But we
all these trades.
haven't been taking waterfalls anyway. I mean, that's the thing. We haven't.
Right. Well, I'm not saying. Look at Amazon. Amazon's breaking the first line, dude. Right now, Amazon's breaking the first line, and it's heading up to the white line. Like it shot down a little bit. I don't know. We should probably
But
just
see,
take
there's
the
a
call.
white line right there. There's a
It's going
freaking
up
white
to it.
line.
I think it might be going up to it though.
Well, maybe, but look how much it's fallen back from it. There's a big candle wick on there.
Yeah. It's kind of in a downtrend too.
Yeah, it is in the downtrend.
But it's been going up and it's crossed and everything's heading up and it's getting ready to cross that white line. Let's just watch it. Because right now the 15 seconds look wild too, and they're like way wacky do. Yeah, what
do they look like?
that was already a rejection of the white line. Look at them.
Oh yeah.
They're kind of turning around. They came out of flatness and just shot up
But
there.
are they about to go down? That's the thing. Look at them. Okay, look at them.
Yeah,
right now.
if I was
Look at
gonna guess on this, I'd just take a put on this right now. Look at it; it's starting to
That's
shoot
what
down.
I'm saying. Are they about to cross down,
I think
or
so.
do you think they're going to kind of consolidate?
Yeah, because it touched the white line and it's shooting down. This rejected itself right here,
because
and it's in a downtrend.
It's a big red candle, but it's still got a little bit of a.
It shot
of a
through the first. Okay, it
consolidation
shot through the first white line, first red line now, and in a couple seconds it's gonna shoot through the other one. I think we could just take a put on this if you want.
Well, I don't necessarily want to do that because of that line. Look at that. It's got a big consolidation line behind it. See that?
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if it's going to break it or not. It may.
Yeah, it may
not.
go up. Yeah, and
See
these
that?
15-second candles are kind of ganky. They're kind of like all over the place. Look, it's going back up now. I can't trust that crap.
That's what I said. See the line behind it? It's
Yeah.
like that big red candle is sitting right on what just was
Yeah.
a big consolidation line.
Oh,
for a
you're
few
right.
minutes.
We should have just called it from there. No, we should have
Well,
done
we
nothing.
shouldn't have done anything because we didn't know if it was going to break it or just obey it. So yeah, it just
Look at Euro NZD. It's like wide open heading up too. Isn't that what you used to do, dude? Didn't you used to just find charts that looked like that? 79%, but didn't you used to find them that looked like this? They're clearly going up. You'd wait for a dip and you'd take a call on them, right?
Yeah, I mean that's
Okay,
kind of what
well.
that's what my strategy is. That's what I just was winning on earlier when I won those 3 trades earlier.
Yeah, well, why don't we
That's
do that then?
It's exactly what I do is wait for an uptrend or a downtrend, a clear trend, wait for the dip or a good position on it. This is at a massive line though. This is
Yeah,
right
that was at a
sitting on-
massive line.
sitting on a massive line. So I don't know how much.
Well,
higher
find
it is.
that. What are you farting around with this thing? Find.
Well, that's
find
what we've been
yourself a bit-
talking about, dude. Is are we going with my strategy or?
Well, what are we doing right now? I mean, I'm kind of looking for my strategy, and you're just kind of like I think. Yeah.
Okay, for example, look at odd NZD right now. Look at.
I'm
odd
just waiting
NZD.
for you to tell me.
Look at odd NZD. Okay, this is okay. Here's what I look at. This has massive consolidation right behind where it is now. If you look way back in the distance, that there's just like a lot of.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's
Okay.
math. So you never
So
really know what's going to
I
happen.
wouldn't do anything here, but as an example, everything's pointing down. It's going down, but it's on a green candle. Okay, so I would say, okay, is that green candle gonna eventually drop? Like, okay, what I would do is like put it like while it was up there in green, I would put it because I think, okay, it's gonna keep going down.
Right. Because
And
you're in a
then I get the
downtrend.
position. I'm in a downtrend. I would put it and wait for it to go down, and then it usually does. And so, then yeah, I mean it's as simple as that. That's what I was doing, and that's yeah.
But because of that massive, well, go get look. NZDJPY is kind of your scenario. It's in a downtrend.
this
if
is
it's-
not my scenario.
It's
This
kind of a
isn't-
janky downtrend,
This
but
is not moving down. Yeah, this is very. Yeah, that's more sideways moving. It's got to be a clear.
Euro RUB, and it's broken all of its levels of resistance, kind of, and there's no janky levels behind it. Euro RUB.
Okay, yeah, this is one where. Yeah, this is one where this may just straight up go down. I don't know if
You
this is
just tell
gonna-
me when to take a put on this. It's below its line. Everything's pointing down on. I mean, it's kind of going up and down in the 15-second a little bit, but it's still pointing down. I mean, I don't think it's going real far up.
Okay, put it.
It's 33 seconds, and So this is a downtrend. Isn't this
This is a
more
downtrend.
isn't this more of a advanced waterfall method?
Kind of, but let's. Oh crap! Well, that shouldn't happen. But
This is hilarious. You're
no,
hilarious.
this is not
dude.
hilarious. This is terrible.
This is a second trade.
Really
too.
terrible. Really terrible. Because now we're going to be at this high position.
You're like that guy online today. Like, oh no, crap. Come on. Go down. Crap. Go. Crap. Like what the heck, dude? See that's what I'm saying. This method is like random. Like let's just do it. We only got 3.
We got one more trade left after this, bro. We got one more
Yeah.
trade left.
It's
That's
a 1980 trade, okay?
Okay. So it's a $20 trade, basically.
Yeah, let's just make it 20. Make it even.
And then now it goes down.
Okay, so that scares me because
Well, okay. But here again, okay,
even that was decent because it was I mean, you were right. I found that it's going down. It just went up a little bit too long.
yeah, and it went up far more than I expected it to.
It's kind of like
It's almost consolidating there now. I don't know, but then again, but I didn't find that either. You found it and said, "Tell me when to."
I said I found it and you said, "Yeah, I found 2
Okay,
or 3
I mean,
of
it
them."
looked okay, but yeah, let's try. it
Yeah,
again.
I mean, I'm saying that's why I think that in your method you could totally go 3 deep like super fast because you just don't have enough confirmation. Like I'm blind on the 15 seconds in that because they're not really winding up to do anything. Like NZD USD is winding up to go down like right now. It crossed
What
in
is
the
what is?
NZD USD. It crossed in the stochastic. It's kind of been oversold. It's not totally going down yet, but I think it probably will. It's kind of going up now, so it's not fully confirmed, but like it's overbought.
The alligator looks terrible in that.
I don't. The 15-second alligator though looks like this. The 15-second alligator, it was crossing down and then it just rejected. So now
but
it's at
look
this
that.
top.
It's been going down, up, down, up. I mean, that's
You could
not,
put it right in the 15 seconds though. You could put it right now. Look at it. It's hitting another level of support. You could put it. Well, it would be like pretty dangerous to do that because
I see
it's
that,
pointing
yeah,
up.
but it is going back. But if it obeys that, then yes, you could put it.
But I don't know if it's going to obey it right now. But
it's
if
going to obey that, I mean, that's
but if it
terrible
starts, yeah, it's terrible. It is. But again, it was just.
looking. It might
okay.
obey that. I mean, it might, but it's been looking exactly the same for the last 3.
Yeah,
patterns.
it might go ahead and break it up because look at it. I mean, it's trying to stop there and it's trying to get through there. But if it turns in the 15 second, starts heading that way, you could know that it's probably going to go back down. But odd NZD is actually crossing over right now. It's probably too late. We probably are too late on this one. Yeah, we're too late. But this would have been a massive win, dude.
How do you know the MACD is starting to cross?
I don't care. In odd NZD, the stochastic crossed over 2 candles ago, right? Look at the 15-second 2 candles ago. It was also crossing over and boom, shot straight through. I'm saying that, and the MACD did cross, but I would have taken it down here. That's when I just missed.
You think this is too late?
That one, yeah. I mean, it's already blown all of its power. I mean, like, look at it. It's already up there. I mean, I think it might win or it might not. That one is like, for a third trade, I'd rather have one that was earlier.
Right.
But, yeah, I mean, do you think it's going to the white line completely? It's at a line of support right now. It's probably going to tack back down. Or it's going to go through. I mean, either way, it's like a 50-50 for me right now on this one. But we missed both entries. We missed the stochastic crossing, then we missed the MACD
That's
crossing.
a big green candle. So this is
Yeah,
almost,
it's gonna reject.
If anything, I would wait for this to tap that white line and put it. If I was going to do anything at all,
Yeah, I wouldn't do that though.
because
right
no.
now. It's a
But
third
I'm just
trade.
saying.
Because I think we can win by looking for stochastic crosses, and then lining them up with 15-second crosses. I know it takes longer, but I mean, odd JPY is going down. Let me look at that one. That one's already spent too. Yeah, that one's already spent, but would have been a freaking huge win. Dang it!
What is
Look
it?
at odd JPY. How the
What's that
stochastic
at?
crossed.
How much is that paying?
82, but look at the 15-second, dude. It did the same thing. It crossed down, and it just shot down, and it showed us it was going to do that, It's about ready to have a MACD cross right here. It would be gutsy, but you think it's going to the white line and it crosses down? I don't think so. I think it's already spent. Like it's kind of like I've lost a lot of these because I think it's going to the white line.
Yeah,
I wanna get-
It's already lost all its power, dude. If you see it that many candles down towards the white line,
Yeah, it's already going down.
Yeah,
Like
it's already
if
lost all
it
its power.
crosses though real big on the MACD, it might be a good entry, but I don't think we should take it because like right there
no,
it
it's
crossed.
too close.
It's already. But see, look at the 15-second, dude. It's already spent, and it's probably going to turn around,
Mm-hmm.
even though the MACD just opened. So I tell you, all I got to do is scroll around and see.
So then, should you be watching these in 15 second? Should you be?
I'm
surfing in
doing
15
both.
second?
I'm surfing them in both. I'm looking for 15 seconds. I'm looking through here to see stochastics. Oh, like in Visa. Let me look what Visa's doing. Visa might be doing it. Visa's a little bit confused, but I think it's still, yeah, Visa's kind of like a little bit confused, but it did. See, Visa's a turnaround though. Unfortunately, I would have thought Visa was going to win, but it was heading towards the white line, so we would have stopped on Visa. Yeah, Visa, we cannot trade against the white line with this method. I've
No.
lost too many. You got to wait for them to cross without being too close to the white line.
See, FedEx is just a big downtrend here.
But it looks like it wants to go back up. Oh,
It's
Yeah.
sitting right at a line though. FedEx is right on a big support line back there.
NZD/USD.
Do you see FedEx?
Uh-huh.
FedEx also might be ripe for a turnaround because it's sitting on
NZD, yeah, NZD/USD.
okay, we're gonna.
It's actually crossing down out of stochastic, and the 15 seconds is starting to go down. It's not crossed yet, but it might. Look at it and tell me if you think this is down. Now look at it really hard, dude. This is a third trade. Look at it really good and hard.
You
I'm
have
not
the
forcing
amount set.
anything. Yeah, I'm
when
not
it's-
forcing anything. I'm just saying that. Do you think that this is a turnaround? It's been going up. You know, it's been going up for a
Okay,
bit.
it's sitting right at a big.
Yeah, it's kind of in a mess of consolidation from back there.
Yeah.
The stochastic is oversold and it's heading back down.
Okay, look at your 15 second quickly because it's going to be.
Yeah, they're
changing
they're
rapidly.
getting ready to go. I mean, they're
Do you see 'em?
cricked down really hard. Yeah, I see them. They're cricking really hard. Like you look like this. Okay.
Okay.
So like
If
I don't
the-
know if it's gonna fake or not, but look at
Well,
it. It's
that I don't know.
look at it. It's kind of like eh.
This is one that we should have put because this is a big candle. So
Well, you don't have to do it yet. That's what I mean. We can put it like soon, or we can put it if it retracts because it's starting to cross through. It just crossed through the top red line. If you think this next candle is going to be red, then okay, cross through
Mm.
the first red line.
what I'm not sure of is if it's going to be red because of how big this candle is. The size of this candle scares the crap out of me.
Okay.
That
In
went
this
way too
moment-
far, way too fast. No, this is a no, for me. Anyway.
Look at the 15-second candle right here. Look how we should have taken it. We should have taken it halfway through that red candle when it hit this and when it started
Yeah.
going down. Because right now, you're right. I don't know that it's going to have enough down pressure. But
See,
like,
look,
this-
it just if we had taken it way at the top, then yes, but we didn't know
Right,
at
we-
that point, and
we
it just
would
got
have
too
had
big
to-
too fast.
yeah, we would have had to think about it, and we would have had to take it more like we're here, and then we'd be in danger anyway. In fact, we could probably put it now.
If
Like,
it's gonna go down, is it gonna keep going down? I'm
It-
telling you, the one I just told you about, we're probably missing it.
What
was
is it, FedEx?
What is it? Was it FedEx?
Yeah, and it's going up.
Yeah, it's way oversold, and yeah.
Well, let
and
me look
that's
at
the
it
one I
because
told
it's
you to
probably
watch
it's
it.
turning.
I
It's
said to
around.
watch that one because this one we probably
Oh,
already
yeah.
missed it.
It
Dude,
is.
I-
Well,
I-
look at the 15-second in that one. Look at this one.
Yeah,
it's-
we almost missed it.
Almost,
you-
but
Unless you take it now, I mean
it's kind of. Do you think it? Well, it just crossed. Yeah, it could. Do you want me to take it?
I mean,
Do you think it's actually gonna turn around? Look at that candle pressure. It's kind of at a
If
line.
this- yeah,
If
I
it
mean,
dips down, we could take it for 2 minutes.
yeah, if it dips down, but you want to take it for 2 minutes?
I don't know. We can take it for a minute. You just tell me what you would do. It's
What's the 15 seconds doing right now?
They're consolidating. Oh crap! What is this? Oh, crap! I don't want to create a safe. No, what they're doing is this.
Okay.
You know, they're starting to go back down, but I don't know why it froze. I think it froze.
Because it's not moving. That's why they're first. No, I
Oh.
don't know. It still should be moving. Yeah, I don't know. This is hard to say.
But you were right. You were right. That one crossed the stochastic.
We could have
crossed.
already won on it if you wouldn't have got off of it.
Yeah, no, the stochastic crossed, and then the 15-second candle crossed like this. I mean, it went down, and about the same time it started going up, and we would have had a pretty good amount of pressure there. But we would have to take these pretty early.
Yeah, but it was a great candidate when I told you,
Yeah.
and it did. It went up 2 candles. We could have won already.
Well, there's about 1 million of those setting up like every second. Like, so just look around and find.
Do we
another
have a
one.
single win yet?
No,
We haven't won a single trade,
no. We've only made 2.
and yeah, we've lost both of them.
Well, we
Okay,
made that
so-
one that we accidentally lost. Well, it's not that big a deal. We only need to win this one, then we'll be. Oh, look at that! Oh, that's in the white line. Amazon is heading to the white line again. It crossed over. We've been talking. These are happening all the time, and Amazon did the same thing, dude. It's crossing up. It also crossed up there.
Well, you can't catch them all. I mean, it's just
You know, you can't. I'm just saying they're right now. Amazon is kind of like it's kind of scrolled out. We could take a call on Amazon. Look at Amazon, dude. It's getting ready to double cross. It's going towards the white line. It's getting ready to cross through the second set of things. I bet you if we waited.
But
till
how
that-
much of that steam is already spent? Because it's almost towards the white line.
Look at
It's
it.
already
It's-
4 candles in.
Like
and
right
now
now,
it's
it's dipping. So like right now, like I don't know, like
I don't know, but I think it could just be going back down. It's in a downtrend ultimately.
is it?
Yeah, I don't know. Nothing about the alligator shows me that.
Oh, yeah.
Nor does my gut feelings. Okay, Visa though, the 1 minute alligators just shot through. It's crossed over the white line, but here again we've lost at this point. But
Mm-hmm. You just have to tell me if you think the next one's going up. I mean, is it going up from here? Because I can't tell you, I can't confirm. Other than that, I think yeah. I mean, you're the candle whisperer. If it looks like it is, I mean, it's going up.
it's a
Everything's
guess,
kind of,
dude. I don't know. It's a guess.
okay. Well, then I'm not taking.
And this is going down though. Okay, this
because
is not,
because when I look at this, look at what I see. I see it's already spent and it's starting to hook back.
well, right,
know?
and that's probably what's happening, honestly. So watch it though. Watch the 15 second. Watch it in 15. I want to see. You keep watching. Don't take your eyes off the 15 because I want to see what you're seeing. And I'm flipping back and forth on my tabs to see the 15, and I can't.
Oh, you
Zoom
mean leave
up
it down here?
Yes. Okay, I'm flipping back and forth to watch what you're seeing.
It's got a big old bunch of up pressure. Then it's going down. It probably is going up. It's
Yeah, I mean everything about
probably
it
gonna-
shows
it's gonna
it's
go
going
like
up.
I would take it like when it comes down here on the 15, I would enter.
Yeah,
like-
if you took it, okay, now go back to if you took it like,
Like right now.
yeah, like if you took it like right now for 1 minute, it probably would win. There you go.
I trust you, my brother. And look at the 15 second. The 15 second, it's like kind of at a high spot, but I should have got it when it was down here. You know, it shot up and then it's go down, up, down, up, down, whatever. Unless this turns around, but I don't think it's going to. It's got a lot of
No,
up
it's
pressure.
going up, bro. It's going up.
See this up pressure here in the 15 second? It's like up, 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 down, down,
Yeah.
up, down, up. It's and look at the 15 seconds. I mean, they've kind of dipped a little bit, but they're pushing up. So, I think that when I bid and it's got the next line that it's got is way up here. I think it's going to go up to here in the 15 second. I don't want to believe it's going to turn around and just shoot through my line, which seems like it
No,
wants to.
I
now.
want it to keep
But
going up.
watch
It's-
this. Watch this. See, when this candle ends, it's probably going to go green. You know, there it goes. See, it's consolidating higher in the 15 second. It's well above your line. And look, it's consolidating on this line now. So what are we at?
Okay,
5
yeah.
seconds?
Yeah.
Are we going to win
Oh,
that?
yeah. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, it won. Okay, whew, back in the game here. It's frustrating and scary.
Okay, so
My brother, it's scary.
you know what we should do? We should just forget me trying to find a bunch of crap, okay? You should literally go around and find what you think is going to work, like how you would trade. Quit asking me, and I'll quit telling you, like, and when you find one, I'll tell you, like, okay, yeah, it looks like it's, when I look at the 15-second, dude, I'm looking into the depth of that candle. And I'm
Right.
saying, and I'm telling you, well, yeah,
So you want me to find what I think? Okay, if I
Yeah,
was
you
just
go
trading on my
find
own
what
in
you-
1 minute, and then
Yeah.
you're going to go analyze it in 15 and tell me what's really going on.
I'll tell you if I think you're probably right, and if you if I say that's totally wrong, then you'll be like,
all right.
okay.
That's a good way to do it. Let's do it that way
Yeah.
because then I'm using my intuition, which
'Cause-
usually is right. And
That's what I'm saying, dude. You won 3 of these on demo just while I was playing Halo, and now it's like, dude, we can't even make a win. It's like, what the freak is wrong with us?
right.
Just you go with your intuition, look around, find some
Okay,
stuff.
what's happening on Amazon? Amazon Express.
What's Amazon Express? Oh,
American Express. What's happening there? This is not okay. This one's weird because it's
it's a massive consolidation.
okay. That's what. All right, that makes sense because this is not. Now
But-
that I zoomed out of it, I'm like, wait a minute. This is nothing I would get in on. Hold on. Okay. What's happening on Boeing? I'm just seeing this as a potential turnaround here. It's been in a big uptrend, but my alligator's starting to turn. So I want to see what you're seeing.
Yeah, it's possible that this is going to head up. I mean, it is possible. It's not yet. It's mostly in a downtrend. It's kind of
I
consolidating.
don't see your alligator. Where's your alligator?
What do you?
Or you're
you
on the
wanna see
1
it?
minute.
I'm looking
There
at
you go.
this. Oh, do you want me to make this the main thing?
Yeah, because I can't see. I need to be able to see, like, yeah. Okay.
Well, hold on. Let me see if I can make this. Well, I'm gonna have to turn to 15-second candles then. Okay. And then I'm gonna have to put on the alligators.
Okay, now this is a white line here. Oh, you don't have to. I mean, you don't have to do that, like, unless you want to, like, on the. Yeah, if you're gonna watch the 15 second, yeah, let's do it that way. Yeah. Do that setup on my account. Yeah. Okay. 'Cause I'm in Heidi's account.
1369. Okay. Moving average. Why are all these moving averages in here? Oh, what is that? Oh, that's the 2 and 5. We can delete those. Okay. I'm gonna throw an alligator on this one.
Okay, this is all jank wank
13. Is it 13.9? Is it? Whoa. Is it? It's 13.899562. That's different, right?
Okay, hold on. You should have 13, 8, 9, 5, 6, 2.
But not
13,
for,
8, 9,
not
5,
for,
6,
no, not for 15-second candles.
Oh no, not for not for 15. I don't know what you need to
Yeah,
go. to your
I'll
dad's
go
account
look at
and
my own. I have my own here. Here's what I should have. I should have. I have to open this up and see. 13.88553. Is that just the standard?
Hmm.
13.88553.
Yeah, it's. I think it's standard. Yeah, it's whatever the default is.
13.88553. Well, that's different. I should just delete it. It's just turn on the alligators and see what happens. 13.88553. Okay, so that's the standard.
What's happening
alligator.
on? I need to know what's going on Boeing because I feel like I'm missing out.
No.
if
it's
your
just going
your
straight
indicators
down.
are set, do you got them
Boeing's going
set?
straight down. I do on my other one, but it's going straight down.
Okay. Should you check the next candle on this one, or do you feel like it's going to turn around? No, it's kind of a trend surf, but it's only one candle past the white line, which is,
No, I don't
kind of
know.
unknown. But I'm just wondering, like, I feel like the next candle is going to be another red one, but
What if 13.88553? I've been trading on the wrong. I don't know. I don't think these make that much of a difference. 13.88553. Okay. I'm trying to. I have to set my indicators here because you got me doing this. Green, red, red.
meanwhile, we're missing out on this
Well, find one.
one. I already
Find one
did.
and make it happen. Make it happen, my brother.
I already
make it
did. I told you we could have won this.
Oh, did it win?
Well, I mean, it hasn't won yet. but
You have
it-
to understand something. If I do this, I can't see the 1 minute. I can't see the white line. I can't see anything. I'm only looking at these alligators in 15
Boy,
seconds.
I didn't tell you to change it on my account. I thought you were just going to look at your dad's, but I meant leave your dad's up there so I could see it. Just like so. So when I flip over to our restream screen, I can see that one.
Well, that's fine, but when I'm placing a trade, I'm placing it on this lower screen.
Okay,
so
gotcha. I gotcha.
If
okay,
that's why I
gotcha.
placed I had my dad's down here and I hit a trade and
Yep,
it's
we
like,
would have won that. Okay, we would have won.
okay, so moving averages, and then I'll put the stochastic and the MACD on here just for the heck of it. I'm setting my dad's account up like the normal thing, so I can see it. It'll just be on a different screen. So stochastic and MACD.
We'd still be winning. We could have won again.
Okay, well,
Maybe not.
there it is. All right, so now I have my 15 seconds.
Are you situated?
Yes, I'm situated. So Boeing, yeah, Boeing is you got Boeing here. You got Boeing on here.
I think we're.
It's probably too late. It's at
Yeah.
53%, bro.
It wasn't. It
Okay.
wasn't. It is now. It wasn't. It was 92.
Okay. Well, they're all at 92 now. Dang, yeah. Okay, this is good. Let's make some money, dude. Let's make some money.
Okay. Well. All right. Well, let's just start knocking them out here. Hold on.
All right. Well, you tell me with your intuition. Amazon's heading up. I can tell you who's got momentum. I can say Amazon's
Okay.
got.
Yeah. If you can tell me who's got momentum. What about? Okay. What about Intel? Look at Intel. Okay. Intel is one that's like an uptrend.
Yeah.
This
Intel's
is
an
one where
inch-
I would probably call it like okay, you tell no, when I say
Yeah.
this, I'm thinking out loud. Don't do it
Okay.
and be sure to confirm back to me like, okay, I'm going to call this.
You
Okay,
just say if you want to
like-
call it, just say I want to call Intel. Call it now. Call it now.
Okay, okay.
Just-
Like this is one that I may call like right now on this red candle because I feel like it may go back up after this, but then again, yeah, like I feel like the pressure is ultimately up. I feel like this candle's down, but I feel like we could have called that down there and now it's going back up. And I feel
Uh-huh.
like we could have got a really low position. That's how I win my
I would have been with you on that because I have like green, red, green, red. That was at the bottom of the second red, and it looks like it's going back up.
yeah,
But now it's not. Now it's turning.
right. Now I feel
Actually,
like this because every 3 or 4 candles it goes red here.
I mean, it's at the
Actually-
bottom of a consolidation right now. So I don't know. This one's kind of like
Well,
flat.
now it shows like it could just turn around. I don't know.
It's kind of flat. It looks like it's. Yeah, it looks like it might turn around. So if
Okay,
it does.
Oh, that's crazy looking. I would not get in on that.
Yeah, it doesn't
Johnson,
really.
Johnson,
It is
Johnson.
over. It is over. Yeah, this one's ripe for a turnaround. It's kind of stuck.
Okay, what is that Intel?
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. It's getting ready to cross through the first red line. I don't know that this is going to the white line though, but I mean it's in an uptrend. This is a massive uptrend. So unless this is a full out turnaround, then it could just be relieving 2 or 3 red candles and then it could be going back up. But now it's crossed through the first red line. The stochastic has crossed and the MACD is about to cross. I mean, if we were going to put it, we'd want to put it now.
But look, it's gone down 2 candles before. Oh, you can't see what I can see.
I can
But
see
it
what you
had-
can see. Yeah, I can. It's gone down
Okay.
2 candles. I'm looking at the 1 minute, but that's what I'm saying. Your stochastic crossed and your MACD is about
Yeah,
to cross.
it is all looking like it's actually gonna go down. What? Okay, so
But is it going down this next candle? Like let's look at it because now it's starting to retract and the pressure's
Yeah.
starting to retract. But if it like right now would be a great place to put it because the stochastic crossed. Well, unless it's a fakie, unless it's actually an uptrend and it's just going up, we could call it. So yeah, I don't know, man. This is confusing to me because this one's like
I see what you're saying. Yeah, based
It's-
on what you're seeing and what
it's
I'm
like
seeing,
it
could
might go down,
either
it might
way.
go up. Yeah, I
This
mean,
one, yeah, this one's an unknown.
but the MACD's kissing right now.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a massive uptrend. So unless we think this is a massive turnaround,
Turnaround, yeah.
it's not really. Yeah, I don't know. We could
See,
wait. For
okay, and it did this before. I'm looking at the MACD. It did this before.
it
The yellow
kissed
line
and then went back
started
up. Yeah,
started
Yeah.
the tank. It touched the blue, and then went back up. And because it dips. This one's been doing that, so it's hard to say. Is it going to continue that pattern, or is it just going
It's
to
about to
turn
have a
around?
MACD double cross on the way down though.
Mhm.
And it's crossing through right now. It's crossing through the second red line in my 15 second. It's at a line of support. If it breaks that line of support that's 5 candles back, 6 candles back, which it probably won't. If not, we could fakey this one. This is a total fakey.
How do you know?
Because if it doesn't open up with a lot of force
Mm-hmm.
and it starts to retract, that's what it's going to do. It's in an uptrend.
Then okay, then
So-
let's take the fake on it.
Like
Bye, love you. Oh wait,
look at that fake right there.
yeah, it faked, and there we go, and we're gonna win this, I think.
Because it's a massive because it's a MACD double cross with the trend. Against the trend. It's a MACD double cross against the trend. But the only fear I have about this one is that it actually is oversold pretty hard and overbought, like in both senses.
Oh crap!
So let's see what this is: 24 seconds, 26 seconds, 26 seconds, 29. So is it going to actually go this direction?
I don't know. We got a terrible position on that. Dang it!
Oh, that's
yeah,
bad.
let's don't go taking fakes, dude. I'm not in the business of taking fakes.
Okay, that was a fake. That was a fake, and it was a total
Fail.
flop. Well,
Fail.
because I did that the other day, and it did just this. It faked. It went right through.
It didn't fake.
and-
That wasn't a fake, dude. That was for real.
But it was
Obviously,
against.
that's why we
that was
lost
for
it.
real. That was for real, and I should have known that because.
Okay, no more fakes.
Okay, fakes are
if
out of
it-
the question.
Unless we think it's for real, we don't.
No, because I thought that was for real. I thought that was a for real fake. That felt really good, dude. That it's been faking. Look at it. It went down, couple red up, down a couple
Well, I
red
know what you're
up,
saying. Yes,
down. That looked
it-
like a perfect fake, and it's been faking this whole time. It's been going, trying to go down, and it hasn't been. This is the one time that we took it, and I agree with you. It's the
Yeah.
fake. We missed the fake. We miscalled the fake. But the thing is the fakes I told you are. I've told you this before,
'Kay.
and I should have.
Go to American Express right now.
The
No
fakes
use in
are
crying.
not.
No use in
like,
crying over spilled milk. Go to American Express. Look at this.
Okay.
Look at
yeah.
this. Okay, so American Express, it's kind of out of line right now. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
but
dude.
this is like gonna shoot down. I
Okay.
think.
It is.
Well, it looks like it is. It's been shooting down. But the MACD is just crossed.
Yeah, it's a MACD cross with the
And
direction
it's
of the
a
trend. Let's
downtrend.
take it.
So hold on, don't take it yet because you're gonna get a bad position if you do.
Okay.
Do you
well,
have your trade set?
I have my trades at 880. It just popped
Okay,
up a
so
little
if
bit.
this pulls up,
You
then-
tell me
But I don't
when.
know. There is a line back there. See that?
Well, it's
where-
on a line,
Yeah, it's
but it
kinda on a
MACD
line.
double crossed with the trend. I would.
So
So I think you're okay.
you
But it
could-
could fake out.
It could. This is a risky.
We can
one,
wait till this opens. If this opens and opens up,
but I don't
real
want to
high,
get a
we-
bad position. So, if anything, I would take it while it's up. But we don't know how high it's
We
going
don't
to go
know.
up.
Now, hold on, because it double crossed with the stochastic cricked, and the 15 second is starting to go up. So wait.
Okay, yeah, I see that. Whoa, yeah, this could turn around because it's on a line, so it would make sense that it might turn around.
Yeah, if we take this one, we gotta wait until we're hilarious. This show has got to be the most hilarious show we've done, dude. This show. So yeah, that's still double crossed. It double crossed with the trend. Those almost always win. That's why I got excited.
Well,
about that.
the crossover is over.
The crossover happened, yeah. It would have won
done.
because we should have taken on this candle. Now it's kind of consolidating, and who knows what's going to happen. We should probably put it way up there, but it's
I
at
don't
a
know that we
line.
should put it at all because
Now
it
it's-
may,
yeah, it's
because
at
there
a
was
line.
a line there. It was sitting on a line, and it's kind of going back up now. So it could just go
Yeah.
back up from here, or consolidate.
Yeah, I don't.
here.
It's like I would hope it can consolidate, but now it's actually the 15 second is pressured up. And it's against the trend. It's pressuring up. 15 second is crossing now through the first line, and it's hooked pretty hard. If I took a call right now, we'd probably win it, but I don't know. It's double crossing back up, but kind of against the trend. But I mean, yeah, I mean, oh, there goes the hook, dude. It's hooking way up. It's like a fish hook, like big time. It's wanting to go up big time.
Okay. Do you think you should take it?
Well, I think I should have back then when it first went through. It turned around and just went straight up through there. Now it's kind of high. It's real high now. But like when
okay, go look at Citigroup real quick.
when it went through that first bottom line, I think that would have been the place to take it.
Go
When
look
it
at Citigroup.
Okay. Citigroup's doing the same thing. It's starting to
Okay.
it's getting
Because
ready
this
to
one I
turn
think we
around.
could catch early.
Okay. You think Citigroup? Okay, Citigroup is yeah, I think we should take call. Oh crap. We should have called it then. Oh crap, we should call it now.
Then
You want me to call
do
it now? It's through the first
you-
line.
If you think so, then do it.
Well, it cut through the first line. I hope it's a good win.
We got a
because-
high position on here, so we're
Well,
kinda,
I mean, kind of, but it's as long if it turns around, yeah, we're scrooby-dootied. But it started to cut through that line, which is what I think it's going to do. I think it's going to turn around. There you go. Look at
There
the
we go.
15
Yeah,
second.
it's-
Just don't look at the 1 minute because that's
okay,
scary
yeah,
as
that's
crap.
scaring me. Okay.
Well, see, this next candle needs to be like turn green. After this 3 seconds right here, this needs to shoot up and it needs to go boonk, and it didn't. So now we're in trouble. Unless it bounces off this. But this is not good either. Oh, that's a downtrend too. Look at that. That's a pressure off downtrend. Hold on, what do we got here? We got 10 seconds. Holy crap.
Well, that was a fail. Well, maybe.
Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if I
No,
believe it's
that's a
going to go
fail.
all the
That's
way.
a fail. Big fail. Big fail.
All right, so what are we at 19,
Third
we're at
trade.
20. Okay.
This third trade stuff is really kind of risky. I feel like we need 5.
I feel like we need to actually focus. Like, this is retarded, dude. This is genuinely retarded. That was against the trend. I mean, I called that up because I thought just by looking at the... Okay, here's the problem with me. You can't trade off the 15-second candle. You can't. I've tried this before and I've lost quite a bit. You can't just look at the 15-second candle and go, oh, yeah. It's got to have all these other indicators going.
Yeah, that's
Going
true.
forward.
We're basically putting a lot of faith in the 15th second, and you can't.
The 15 seconds just has to kind of give you the idea that, like, for me, I would probably prefer to switch this back and just look at the 15-second for, like, a full, like, because that one was a great 15-second setup, but the 1 minute was really just a big fat downtrend.
Like Citigroup, for example, right now, if you look at Citigroup, like I would take a put right up here right now. If I were
Okay,
just doing
I'm
this,
doing it. I'm doing it.
This is what I would do: is take a put from up here, because
A
it's
2 minute
probably
put.
just-
I'm taking a
it's
2
an-
minute put.
Okay, do it.
Because I think I did it. Did I do it? Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
it.
but I don't see the line. I see the entry,
Yeah.
but I don't see the line for whatever reason.
I'm switching off these alligators. I'm going back to my regular setup.
Like
here.
it didn't put the line on my screen, but I see the entry here. I don't know
Hold on.
why.
Well, it didn't like take it in my dad's account either. I don't think. It doesn't.
Like I
hold on.
see it. It's like it's on.
Oh, it
here,
is.
But,
It's on here.
but
It's
the
it's
line's
on.
not there, and I don't know why.
1 minute, 15 seconds. Moving average. Turn those off. Turn the alligators on. Dude, you're gonna win this one. It looks like. Is this 15 seconds? Oh, this is 1 minute. Hold on. Take it 1 minute.
Got a minute
Oh.
and 16 left. But it looks like it's going down. I mean, the whole thing is going down. So,
Yeah. Well, it's in a
it's in a big
an
downtrend.
uptrend. It's in an
What?
uptrend.
No, look
Are you
at
freaking kidding me?
Wait a
I
minute.
hope that, dude. Yeah, you're
Dude,
right.
whoa! You're on the wrong. Okay, I don't see the line because, dude, you're not on the.
I'm on
We're
Intel.
not even on the same chart, bro. You took a trade on the wrong chart. Oh my gosh, dude! I'm on Citigroup.
Oh, you are? Well, I
Yes.
was too. I thought.
No.
Oh, that's okay because that's our trade is on Citigroup, bro. No, it's on Intel.
You're on
Crap.
Intel. Okay, now maybe you'll win. Oh Lord, give us a win here.
Oh
boy.
Lord. Oh Lord, you're right. I must. Yeah, I switched around so much. I'm turning off. Oh Lord. Oh gosh. Oh Lord, no. That's 15
Oh, boy,
seconds.
dude. Come on, go down. Oh Lord, send this down, please.
Give us some favor. Oh, that is an uptrend. I took a 2 minute.
On the wrong chart, bro. On the wrong chart on a third trade. Dude, we lost it. Thanks. We lost.
I quit. I quit your presence, dude.
We would have won massively where I was at, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Go back to Citigroup, dude. Look, Citigroup. 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 Yeah. Oh, yeah. We'd have won massively. Massively.
How did I get on Intel then?
I have no idea. I said Citigroup. And it's like, and you were like, yeah, look at it right now. Should I take it?
Well, I know why. I know why. Because I was looking at it in the 1 minute, but I was still on Intel in my other window.
Turn off 15 second. I don't want anything to do with it. I don't care about 15 seconds. I don't want anything to do with 15 seconds.
Why?
Dude, we're going to take another $20 trade, and I mean, we're going to get it all back. I don't care. I'm not doing this.
Well, let's just take a fifth. That's a fourth trade. Let's take a fifth trade. All we got to do is take a. No, that was a third trade. Just take a fourth trade. Just take a legit fourth trade.
Okay.
We got the account to go to a fourth trade. It would just be 4460.
I'm like sick about that, dude. I am on Citigroup. That's where I am. City. Say it with me, Citigroup.
Dude, I cannot believe I just did that, dude. I cannot believe I did that. I took the wrong one. Well, you got me all mixed up when you made me put this over here and that over there. I'm looking up here. I'm looking up there. I totally should not have done that. I can look at 15. Dude, for the last
You look
month,
at 15 second however you want. I'm not looking at 15 seconds.
I've been looking at 15-second candles for the last month by myself on the other screen, and that's what screwed me up, dude.
Dude, we would be on a first trade right now. Dude, we just lost because of this. I'm
Well, I mean,
at this.
honestly,
I was
dude,
like, we had such a great position. I'm like, yes, take this, because this is gonna drop, and it massively dropped.
Okay,
And
so
then-
all we should probably just take
okay,
a third
do you,
trade.
are you
we
on
should
Citigroup? I want you to look at Citigroup. Do you
Yeah,
see
yeah,
Citigroup?
yeah.
Do you see that green candle? Not that one, the one
This
before
one?
it.
Yeah.
The very top of that is where I thought you were taking a put. Okay, a 2-minute put. Do you see where you would have ended?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And I was looking at it in the 15-second, and I knew. And then when I went down here in my window, I cracked in the trade, and it was on Intel. So I have got to do my own thing on here because that's a disaster. That's a real.
Yeah,
I think we should drop that off, dude. That $20 should just be. I don't know that we should make a $42 trade. That would put our accounts in danger. We should probably stay on this third trade. We should probably just redo that third trade. Everybody has enough money to redo that third trade.
Well, okay, but we still got to make another third trade then.
Well, we
have to
can
make
make
two
we
of 'em.
can we can make 2 third trades, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? I don't know that we should just jump up to a fourth trade. Do you? I mean, maybe we should. If we're gonna win it, we're gonna win it. You tell me, because if we lose that fourth trade,
Yeah,
Then
we
we're-
endanger a lot of money.
then we're out by $77. I mean, that's a lot.
All right, I gotta
So-
pee. Don't do anything. Hold on. Just look for some charts that
I'm
look.
just gonna
over-
sit here and talk
look
bad
for
about
some-
you.
Look for some long-term going down charts like the one I just found on Citigroup. Okay, look for that. I'll be right
Okay,
back.
I'll look for that. All right. Well, there you go, folks. With some real trading stuff happening right there. It's not really good because my dad's account is down pretty good. We got to get that back. We got to do that again. We got to redo that for real. Like for reals, we got to redo that for reals. That was terrible. That was terrible. Terrible. I'm going to open up my 15-second chart again. Yeah, I got to get back to a little bit more of my own method. I think I definitely got way confused on that. Moving charts around. I think I've got everything reset back to the normal. Let me get rid of this. 1 minute here, 15 seconds there. I'm looking for let's see here. Here we go. I'm going to start surfing. And let's see. No, Citigroup does look like it's going back up. I already missed the cross there on Citigroup. Ooh, Twitter. Twitter looks like it's going down. Twitter does look like... Oh, Twitter's going down. I like Twitter. I like it. I don't like Twitter that much. I'm not on Twitter, but... Well, I am on Twitter. But I'm not on Twitter that much. Okay, this probably has a line of support and resistance here. This is the 1 minute. It's got a cross there. It broke out of there. I'm afraid to take a trade. I'm just going to wait. But that would... Let me see if I would have taken a put right here. That's on a line. It broke down below that. It cracked here, and it's not going there. I'm not going to take that. I think it's still consolidating up here. But, ooh, look at that. That's nice. It took it here. I look at the 15 seconds to confirm. And this looks like it probably is going to break down. It broke down there. It broke down here. And I probably could win this trade back right here. If I do that, though, he'll probably want to eat my burrito. Let's see. It's breaking down. There it goes to the first line. It's all the way down. Bam, bam, bam. I can't take it now, but I would have taken it as it crossed that first time. I would have taken it right up here, and it would have won. Absolutely would have done it, and it would have won. That's phenomenal. That's where I want to be. That's where I want to be. That's where I want to be right there. All this other stuff is so confusing to me. I want to be here. Alibaba in the 15 second is what I'm looking at. I want to be here. I want to be here in 21.28. 21.28. Oh, it's kind of pushing down there. Yeah, that would have been as good of a setup actually. Netflix going down. Anyway, I don't know. We're kind of. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I'm here.
Just so you know, I would have won this. I didn't take the trade because you weren't here. This was a huge win. I saw it coming. I called it out. I could have got our $20 back, but I was scared to death to do anything.
Well, I don't blame you. Okay.
I would have had that right there, dude. See, with my thing.
Okay. Well, let's find another one like that and let's win our $20 back.
Well, we got to win twice.
Take a $44 trade.
All right, $44.
Yeah. Do you think we can do it?
Yeah, actually, it's gonna be 45. I think we should just do it. I mean, we got one win. I mean, we gotta make it right, dude. It's gotta be right, the right trade. It's gotta.
Okay.
It's gotta
you have to be on the right chart.
Well, I will be now because, like I said, dude, you had me all mixed up, dude. I cannot. I've been at this workflow for like months, and now it's like,
okay,
I switched everything around like an idiot.
Okay, get comfortable. Get where you feel like you can win.
I just must have. I was confirming it in the other window, and trading in the wrong. I was just switched around. That's all.
It's all right. It happened. We roll with it. Okay. Crap. Is this a?
See, but my dad, dude, I'm nervous because my dad's account's only got $55 in it. If we lose this, he's blown. He's totally blown.
Okay.
I think we should make two $20 trades.
That's fine too.
I mean,
if we win,
or just make a $20 trade and forget it, and just
and count yesterday and today a loss.
Yeah, we would have only lost. We would only lost $20. I mean, total. I mean, we can make another $20 trade. I mean, I'm just saying.
Just forget all this and just go 5 deep if you want to go back to that.
No, we can make one more $20 trade, and we would have our profit back, and we can just. Well, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know because this is my life. It's taking up my entire life. I don't know if we should go 5 deep.
You realize we're having this big drama on the internet for the whole world to see?
Yeah, I mean, this is real TV, man. This is real life. People don't care. They probably look at us and think these guys are morons, you know. But that's fine.
Or they see the struggle and they think, man, I'm not the only one that does with the binary options.
Yeah,
everybody that you see online, dude.
They're all a bunch of fakers.
They're all fake. They're all fake, dude. I don't think they're real. They all have this. All these girls have the same accent, and they win like crazy on on the internet, and then if you look at their stats, it's like, yeah,
Yeah, you look at their
Yeah.
stats, and their stats are like crap. They don't
they're
win.
like in the tank.
I don't know
dude.
what they're doing. I think they're faking somehow, dude. I don't know. I'm not saying you can't win. I'm just saying those people
Like
make it.
Amazon is just a massive, like, it's just cranking now, you know.
Okay.
But it's at a line. I wouldn't take it to just cross through a white line.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of going up. I was looking at Amazon. It's like a waterfall, dude. It's killer. I mean, we could wait till it dips and take a call on it. I mean, we could wait till it goes up a little ways. I don't know if that's smart or not. I don't need to. I think I can win with these crossovers. I think when the
I don't know what I just told you on Citigroup was a trend surf,
yeah.
but it was using my strategy of wait. Like right now, okay, like on Amazon, you see the red candle here. Now this is at a line, so this could just be hitting a line and then rejecting. That could be what's happening here. But if I felt like this was just going to be going up, okay, like I
Yeah.
would have called it from down here. This looks more like a rejection, but I would have just like called it when it dipped, and then
Right.
gotten
You're
the
saying that
position. That's-
Citigroup was actually in a long downtrend and it just had a little bit of a.
It had a little bit of a retraction, and then we took it. I thought you entered for 2 minutes. And I was like, oh crap! And then when I found out you're on Intel, I'm like, dang.
And I would have won a 1 minute on Intel too. It looked like it would have won on 1 minute. I mean, I also don't know that I should be switching.
I don't
time
know why you
frames.
took it too. That was kind of random.
Well, because the way I was looking at it, it looked like in case it keeps going up a little bit,
Right.
like in a big downtrend, you can take it.
I didn't say anything because I thought, yeah, I mean, a 2 minutes going to win here too. So.
Yeah, because in a big old downtrend, it's safer to take a longer trade. Usually, if you're trying to just go with the trend, I mean, even a 3 minute would have probably won. Let's just look at American Express and tell me if you don't think that's heading up. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know. It's kind of been going up. It's kind of rejecting. It's kind of going up. Kind of crossed here. It doesn't have a lot
It's
of.
at a line, dude.
It is at a line. Oh, whoa. There's a MACD double. Oh, crap. There's a MACD double cross on Netflix with the trend, but it's taking a long time to get there. Let's see, where is it? Why don't we just use our ninja trading skills and win a couple more $20 trades and be done? We need two $20 trades, and then we'll have a successful day.
It's true.
You're so mad at me. Have you ever been more mad at me?
I don't think so.
You're so
Surprisingly, dude, I
you're
wasn't
so-
this mad at you. I wasn't this mad at you when you lost $1,000, dude. I wasn't this mad at you. Like, I feel like this just didn't have to happen.
Oh, Twitter's.
I mean, and it's over a small amount of money. I mean, it's $20, but it's still $20. And like, I can afford it, but other people, it's like they're
My
just
dad's really struggling, dude. We've
dwindling
blown
away.
it.
Yeah, and so at this point, so is Haley and Matt and everybody else. Like,
My dad's account went down $5 on that accidental trade, and then it went down $20, and then another $20, dude. He went down $45 in this session. It's my dad. I'm trying to make him money, not lose his money.
I mean, like, I don't know.
FedEx, dude. I'm trying to find
Because
something.
now I
that's
feel
moving.
like, dude, I feel like the whole day's blown. Like it's.
It's not. Just win two more trades. You won 3 trades sitting there. You had so much confidence. You want to just quit today?
No.
Well, then
All
quit.
right, FedEx is going up. Okay, do you want to take the next one?
I don't know. I'm asking you. I mean, it looks like it might be retracting, but it is look like it's going up. Is that a good? I mean, is that decent? It's kind of decent, but it's kind of cricking. But it's.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of decent, but
I'm
it's-
looking at it. I'm just looking at it. I was trying to find different things that were happening. So, got a 1 minute trade. I've got $20 in the window. I'm just not sure about this one. It could flatten out up here.
This would have won probably, but we didn't know that. It's
Yeah.
just sitting at a kind of
It's
A
kind
line,
of starting to go up. It's sitting at a line, but it's but I'm not sure that it's going to turn around. Do you? Do you think it's going to turn around? I mean, just watch the pressure and tell me if you think it is. I mean,
There's no
it's
bottom wicks on it or anything.
no. It had one red candle in my windows, just a
I
little
mean,
bit.
you know, it's just like we take it and it's going to turn around. I mean, that's the way I feel. Like we're going to enter
Right.
and
All right, it's got some it's got some fighting down pressure.
I mean, it's just cranking now, you know.
Yeah, it's going down a little bit. Like this would be a good place to take it right down there.
If you're going to enter, I would enter while it's red, you know, but I don't know how far down it's going to go.
I don't know because the stochastic's kind of. I mean, it's irrelevant because the stochastic is like oversold, but it's like flat. Like it,
Mhm.
like I don't know. It's kind of out of line. Like if it goes another couple green, see what I mean? That line back there, it's kind of at a
If it
line.
goes another couple green though, then it's probably due to turn. That's the whole thing with this, you know.
Yeah. Well, what do you think? I mean, there's a wick right there. We got 20 seconds.
Now there's a wick. That's the first bottom wick.
Yeah. That's a nice little uptrend. Well, that's candle surfing. So that's the indecision of candle surfing that we can't figure out.
How much money's your dad got?
50 some dollars. Just make a couple $20 wins, dude, and it'll be good.
Yeah, but if we lose one of them, then we're kind of back in the hole.
We're not gonna lose, dude. We're back on top of our A game.
No, we're not actually.
Ooh. Euro USD. Well, this is the problem with binary options. Okay, Euro USD, it's going down. It's breaking through right now. My 15 seconds breaking through. That red candle broke through. Look at that. It's been going up. Look at that. You got 10 seconds. Euro USD. I don't know. It could be. It's kind of in an uptrend. Do you think it's going down?
I don't trust this crap at all. There's wicks everywhere. No, I wouldn't trust this to save my life, dude. What do you think is going to happen with it? You think it's going
I think
down?
it's going down. I think this next candle's going down. I think the whole thing's going down.
I mean, yeah, but how far it's going to go, I'm not sure.
I don't know. I would have taken it up there near the end of that last candle.
Yeah,
It'd be-
I
it'd
mean,
be
it's
winning.
possible, but
It's going through. It went through the first red line. Now I don't know. It could relieve and go back up. But it's got a stochastic cross, and it's got a 15-second cross, all together. It's moving slow enough to where I think this might have been a win. Stochastic crossed, and it's got a 15-second cross. And if I'd got in, I would have won. Boom! It feels good to know that you could have won. There you go.
well, it still may be going down, but
Yeah, I don't know now though. Well, it's kind of slowed down for some reason. It's like really
Mhm.
slow.
a lot.
It-
Yeah.
It's like it might cross down, but it'll be a fakey. Because it's going to have a MACD double cross with the trend, and now I think it's going to go back up. But I don't know. But that's anyway. Same thing's happening on CAD JPY.
NZD JPY looks like it's a turnaround. It's either a turnaround or
Okay, yeah,
okay.
there you go.
What's happening? I do care about the 15 second. What is it doing right now?
It's cricking up right now. It's almost touching the first white line, but it's a massive downtrend.
Yeah, but is it going to turn around? Because this looks like big time turnaround. Stochastic is way oversold, and
Yeah.
MACD is kind of at the bottom, and it's cricking up.
Uh-huh.
So the next candle could be a green candle, and it ended with a doji, which is like an indecision. So this could end up going up. So
You think it is? think-
it's a possibility. But if I was
starting
going
to
to enter,
trend.
I would do it like before. Well, it's too late.
Well, it's going back down. It hasn't crossed through. The second line hasn't crossed through yet. So and it's going back down. So you would have been wrong.
I didn't say I would have taken it, but if it's gonna go up, I wanted to know if you thought it was gonna go up.
It looked like it was going to, but it never quite reached it. It almost did. Like I think it still might. I think it still might. I mean, it went up.
Well,
it's
it
going
may
back
also
down.
just be gonna go down for another couple candles. So
Right. It could go either way on my end. It's not like gotta.
like at this point, with the way the indicators are, it could turn around, or it could just go back down. It's hard to say.
Yeah.
But isn't
right.
that always the case?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one's kind of got a history of going down and then breaking up a little bit, then going back down and breaking up a little bit. But now the stochastic is actually getting ready to cut through. Yeah, this one's hard to read.
Okay, well then let's
The
go.
stochastic is crossing through, and the 15-second candles are crossing up, but they're kind of in a weird, they're kind of in a sideways motion right now. We're kind of at the top of a consolidation line, really. Bow, bow, bow. Some days, dude, I just want to quit doing binary options altogether. Like,
I know the feeling.
you know the feeling, dude? The feeling I have right now?
Well, the feeling that I have after that third loss when we were doing so good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because, I guess what bothers me is that it didn't have to happen. It was literally just the wrong, the right trade on the wrong chart.
Right.
And
you
I'm
won it,
like,
but you
dude.
didn't.
Huh?
You won it, but you didn't.
We won it, but we didn't. Yeah, exactly.
It's like when you tried to buy a. Oh, okay. Alibaba? Yeah, I don't know.
NZD-JPY. Is that what we were just looking at?
Yeah, what's it doing now?
It's going up, dude. I'm telling you, look at it. It's slowly going up. Everything is cricked up. Everything is going up. It looks like it's just going to go up towards that
Yeah,
white
it's
line.
crossing through it. It's getting ready to cross through its second thing. I mean, we could take
A
we could
2
take
minute,
a
maybe?
2 minute on the upside. We could take a 2 minute when it in my window when it sort of consolidates down, or when it starts to, like right now it's still.
See, on
it's-
my
it
end,
is-
I'm seeing a lot of up pressure. It just keeps getting higher and higher.
Yeah. Well, it's getting ready to cross through. It's getting ready to cross through the second red line, and it's pushing up. So I don't know if you'd want to take this next candle. Is this next candle going green? I mean, it's dropped down
dipping a
now.
little
If
bit.
it drops down just a little bit, like right here, you want to take a 2 minute call?
You could.
When you say I could, what does that mean?
If I guess you could means
Let's do it.
it's sort of an approval. But, if we end up losing this, I'm going to be furious.
Why?
Because this wouldn't have been our only hope here, but
Our
now it
only
is.
hope.
Not our only hope, but because I guess I'm just bummed because
Yeah, dude, you're so melancholy. This is hilarious. I've never seen you like this. You're just
Because
like,
because of that
you're just
last
like
trade.
direct remorse, dude. You're just such remorse. You're just like, I mean, it's like, how many trades have you lost before? How many times have we lost, dude? And how many times have we just been through this over and over again? Just get your mojo back, my bro, and just win. This one's gonna.
I
win
did,
big,
dude. I called a winning trade. That's what bums me is that we called a win. I called a freaking killer winning trade.
Well, call
and-
another one. It's one out of like hundreds that you're gonna have to call in your career, my man.
Well, true.
I mean,
but-
it could have-
but-
it could have
but
just
was
as
the, But it was
easily-
the final trade in our plan.
It could have easily lost, like just as easily lost. I mean, it could have just as easily went down and just lost. I mean, that's the thing about this. It's like, it's not like, I think you called a killer trade, but like, let's call another one. We need one more killer trade to get this session to be a really good session. This one's gonna win, dude.
This one's gonna win, I think. Yeah.
And the fact that it's going up, we might just want to go ahead and put our next $20 trade.
I wouldn't do it yet because we don't know how far up this is going.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying if this keeps going up, it's about to double cross.
Oh, come on, keep going up. Keep
What's this going up? It's 17
Keep
seconds.
Going up, keep going up.
No. Come on, buddy.
Come on, go up.
You need
go
to.
up, go up. No.
No. Come on,
crap.
no,
Keep
sucker.
going up.
There you
Keep going
go.
up. Keep going up. Go
We've
up,
got
go up,
7
go up,
seconds. I think it's
Up,
it's
up,
bounced
up,
off.
up,
It's
up,
consolidated.
up,
You've
up,
got
up,
it, bro.
up,
You've
up,
got
up,
it.
up,
It's
up,
going.
up, 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 up,
Consolidated in the 15 second. It hit a line. Dude. Boom! We got a win. We got a big fat win. Boom!
Where does
gotta
that put
win.
us? Okay.
All right, we did loss, loss, win, loss, 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 win. But that's kind of off. 497. We started, I'll tell you where we started. Let's just say where we started because we're probably back to about where we started 2 days ago. Okay, 497 was where we started yesterday.
I don't even
We are
think we
actually-
have all that back. No, because we didn't win back. That was at 92%, but we didn't
I'm
win
sorry,
back.
my friend. I'm sorry, my friend. Yesterday we started at 497. Today we are sitting at 497. I'm telling you, that's what we did. Because we were ahead a little bit yesterday, and we won $10, and then we won a bunch of 92% trades today. And so, however the math works, we are back to yesterday. So we could just go 5 deep right now, which is what I think we should do, and just start the plan at 497 and just keep going. Because this 3 deep thing is murdering us. I mean, we can keep going. We can just keep going at 3 deep. But dude, we kind of suck.
Speak for yourself. I called a winning trade.
Well, you've called 2 of them. Will you call another $20 winning trade? Is that what you want to do? Because if you lose it, then that means we've lost a 3rd trade. We've lost nothing at this point, other than one day. We lost yesterday and today. We would be starting back where we started yesterday. But we could just start that way and just win 3 trades right now and be done. We could win 10 trades at 4 deep. That's what we said. Remember 10 at 4? We just go 4 deep and win 10 trades. No, I can't do that, dude. 10 trades is too much. I'm not gonna. I think we should just. I don't know what we should do. Maybe we should just quit binary options altogether. No, because you're good at this, dude. You've called winning trades all day. Why don't you just call me another $20 winning trade? But I don't know. Can you do it? Or do you want to just be safe and be where we were at yesterday? Because nobody's down right now. Nobody's down. Even my dad is not down, I don't think. Yeah, he's at 73. So he's down from where he started because we blew like a $5 trade on his account on accident.
Here's the deal. He's got how much then?
He's got 73. So he might be down. I don't know how you're not down.
I
thought
mean, well,
you're at 497 though. I mean, you were like, okay. So you lost. Okay, I can tell you when we started today, I'll tell you if you're down from today or not. It seems like you should be. You lost $3.90. You lost $8.80. Then you minus 20. Then you got $38.40. Okay, so then you were up $31. Okay, and then you lost $3.90, and then you lost $8.80, and then you lost 20, and then you're up $16 from where we started. Wait a minute, bro. Yeah, you did lose that $20 trade. How can you be up $16? It doesn't make any sense. You're minus 3.9 minus okay, minus 3.9, okay, minus 8.8 minus the 20 plus 38.40. So you're up $5. Okay, you're up $5 minus 3.9 minus 8.8 minus 20, 38.4. So you're down $8.60 today, but you were up like $9 yesterday. So you're basically where you started yesterday. Does that make sense?
I'm where I started yesterday.
Everybody's where they started yesterday, 497. That's everybody. Nobody's lost any money. We could start at day 1.
How much? Okay. How much does your dad have?
My dad has 73. He had $75 yesterday. We got him up to 85. So we basically lost him a little bit of money. We basically only lost $10.
Okay.
But we made $10. I don't know why, because we must have, like, at 92%. It just, dude, 92% matters. So every trade we won today at 92% gave us a little extra money. The point is,
Well, we could go 5 deep and win 6 a day.
there's no possible way that we can win together at 3 deep doing this kind of debacle, because unless we follow one single method. If you want to follow your method where you look at it and and you're good at it, but if you want to follow that, we've got to be 5 deep, because your method is just not as rock solid. I mean, you win a lot,
there
but
are no. Listen, none of them are. None of them.
so that's what I'm saying. We've got to be realistic, dude. Long term. When we talked on the phone today, I really started I started thinking, like, you were like, where do you want to be in 30 days? I'm like, 5 deep. That'd be way better than 3 deep. Way better.
I can tell you
Yeah.
this, dude.
So why don't we go 5 deep?
trades a day? Okay, here's the deal. There's 0 fortification. All right, but
You can go
maybe you
5
don't need
deep.
it.
Dude, we could trend surf at 5 deep. We
5
could
deep, you
literally
can
look at
trend
those
surf,
and
yes.
trend surf.
you can trend surf at 5 deep, starting
that's
at
what I would do.
$70. Okay, starting at $70.
$70.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what we can afford. This is what they can afford.
160. Okay. You're saying just
Pull up a chart.
go
Okay,
as
you've got already got a chart.
Okay,
So
$1.60
starting
is
at
your first
$70.
trade.
I could start at more. I could start at $100, but
Well, my dad's account is the lowest and Emily's is the lowest too. So they've got $75. So we could start at $70. That's fine. A few dollars here and there don't matter. Plus, that would mean that Haley if we blew it, that would mean at least Haley would have some money left. She could start over again. So start at $70 at 6 deep, or 5 deep with 6 trades a day. And by day 15, we're making, by day 15. But why would we only win 6? Why don't we win like 10 a day, dude? We're going to
We'll
be
make it
trend
10.
surfing. I mean, why don't we win 15? At least the first week, or two. We got to get this up there, dude. If $70 would turn into $2,000, we'd be at $41 trades by day 15. We can't.
make it 10. I was trying to keep it, realistic. We go 10. That's fine.
I want to be at somewhere in 15 days. I
Okay,
want this to be
15 days.
15 days. 15 days, we're making $800 a week.
Mm-hmm.
No,
But
yeah.
beyond that, it becomes 100,000 on like day 20. So it's really fast from there. Within a week of that.
Oh yeah, you're right. 100,000. It becomes 2,000. Yeah, within a week of that. So you're like, what? 10 wins? Yeah, 10 wins is good. It's less than 12 what we used to do, and you just go in there and trend surf, dude. You win 10 wins and be done. In 15 days, we can't go 5 deep. So let's just start. Let's do it.
What did you? Okay, hold on. What did you set that to? 10 wins?
Yeah.
15.
10, but we could
10.
do 15 if we go a little farther. Let's set it at 10 because 10's like a decent starting point.
If you're on a roll, then maybe.
Well, yeah, if we're on a roll and we're finding all these charts that are killing, dude, we just keep going. Because we have to
What
win.
time do they go off of? Is it like now that they go out of 92?
Pretty soon. It's like any time between now and 4 o'clock.
It's like almost 4 now. In my
Well,
time.
it's 3 o'clock my time. So
Okay.
all right, well, find me some freaking wins right now. Let's just go do it.
What's the first trade?
The first trade is $1.60.
All right.
If we can win our 10, and I'm not pushing you. I'm not pressuring you. You got 5 deep. Why don't you just act like you know what you're doing,
I do know what I'm doing.
and just tell me some trades to win. You know?
Okay. All right. Okay.
I'm with
All
you,
right.
man. As long as they're at 80% now, but whatever.
Oh crap! Did they all just change? Yep.
Well,
they did.
yeah, but all the stocks opened up, so that's kind of good.
Huh?
All the stocks opened up to 80%. So maybe
What do you mean?
they were all janky at like 40 and 30 and 10 and
Oh yeah. Have you noticed that stocks are always in OTC? All of them. Always.
notice that.
Okay. Euro NZD is a massive, massive uptrend. Okay, but it's been going down a little bit here and there. If this keeps doing what it's been doing, then this is going to go up from here. But the stochastic and MACD are really both overbought because of the trend they've been in. So this could be a call from here, and it could go up. But
Well, just use your intuition. Tell me.
well, we're kind of losing position. Don't take.
I'm
it
with
now.
you on it. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's going up, dude. Probably
Are you
going
on
up.
Euro NZD?
Yeah, I'm on Euro, NZD, OTC.
Or do you think it's about to drop? Because everything is kind of cricking too. So
I mean, I don't know. I think it's. Is it? The MACD's kind of starting to want to cross, but it's kind of flat. So this one's kind of moving kind of slow and it's kind of small. It's hard to know. This one doesn't have a lot of up pressure, right? I mean,
right, it's not got a lot of pressure at all anymore. But it is overall still going up. So I think that
I mean, if you want to call it from down here, I guess.
wait till it goes down a little bit.
You just tell me when.
Do you think it's going to go down? Do you think this one's just going back down ultimately? What I'm seeing a little bit of down. I mean, kind of taking the risk either way, but it looks like it wants to go back up. So
It's not like a massive trend surf.
no, it's not. This will be like a hairline win, but
From
Okay, I
here,
think
you could
you-
do it. Yeah.
okay, if that drops down, like I was thinking we could call it like
Like if it gets to the bottom of that
Like
red candle.
if it drops down like kind of here in that area, then we could maybe call it. Yeah, there we go.
It's kind of like in the
There we
15
go.
second
There we
candles.
go.
Yeah, in the 15
That's what
second
I was looking
candles, it looks like this. It's kind of like, it's set up like a consolidation line. Look at that, dude. In the 50, look at the 15 second real quick. Look,
Yeah,
it's
hold
in
on,
a
okay.
consolidation,
Uh-huh.
and I got it right down here. So
Oh
like,
yeah.
you know what I mean? It's probably not going to go under there.
Right.
In the 1 minute, it's hard to tell, but this is like bouncing between these lines.
I sometimes I feel better about it watching it in the 15 second
Oh, way better, because you can see that.
because you
Look,
can see that
because
you're
you can
not-
see it's stopping there. If it goes down from here, then it's like, oh crap. If this crosses down, then you still have 15 seconds. But this next candle opens up. If it shoots down, we're gonna lose it. But
Oh, crap.
then
Come
see
on.
it popped back up. Oh, see that
Yeah, now
that
we're losing it. Dang it.
that went down. That's okay. It doesn't matter though. You took a risk, dude. Good risk. All right, 360 is our next trade. Let's win this next one.
Okay, well now it
Actually, we
looks
should
like it's
we
going
should
down,
put
so-
it. We should put it from here, dude.
Yeah,
It's-
if this
it's-
goes green, then put it. If this pops up green at all, if you can see it, the 1 minute.
I don't even know if I need to. In the 2
okay,
minute,
put
it's-
it. There
All right,
you go.
I did. Because look,
Because
at
now
the
it looks
15
like it's just going down.
Because
so-
look at the 15 second on this, dude. It shot through there. It shot through there. It's probably gonna go ahead and go down. See, look at it.
Yeah,
It's shot through both. I mean, it's relieving a little bit, but it's probably going down. See,
there it
look
goes.
at that.
Yeah, it's going down.
See, because it's obviously going down. Look at that. It's massive.
Yeah.
I love looking at these because you can kind of see the internal like bouncing of it. It's like, yeah, and it crossed here. But
see, if
the
you
50
see it there, it's just way below the line.
Yeah, you're going to win it here.
See, you look
'cause
close. It looks really close.
Yeah, it
on
looks
the-
really close on this, dude. That looks
Yeah.
like it's not even going to win on
Like
that, dude.
it makes you nervous, but you look there and you're like, "Oh man, I got this by a long shot."
But because
Yeah.
look, it opened up. That candle went up to there, opened, and then went down. So look at the win on that. Yeah. All right, 9 more. We're at $1.60. What is this doing? I don't know what it's doing really now. You think it? Are you there?
Yeah, I got some water on my mouse pad, my keypad.
Oh
And
crap!
so-
On your computer?
Yeah, so every time I swipe across it, it like enlarges the screen by 300%.
Are you kidding?
What?
You mean
You
you,
know what I
screwed your
mean?
computer up?
No. Okay.
All right, is this going down? Okay, is this one of those going to the white line trades? I think it probably is, dude. Look at it.
Yeah, so if you want to take another put, like here in a second, like let it pop up. Okay, and dang it. You missed the position.
Well, I know.
That's all right.
but
It
you
might
know,
still go down. It might still.
It's
be-
going down, dude. Trust me, it's going down.
It might still be a good win. So
It was popping up there, and then crap. I want it to go down, but like, Let's look at it in the 15 second. There, it's underneath. Every 15 seconds, these candles renew themselves. So they like, you can kind of tell if they're consolidating. That's a win. It's going to be a win probably. Look at it.
Yeah, it's going
30
down.
seconds, unless it consolidates, but it's not. Look how far it is going down. Unless it starts going back up, and now it's like okay, but that's the line that it doesn't want to go up past. It's like okay, see, it's got a line there now. It's like it wants to go back up, but we have 14 seconds. See, there.
It's going down.
Hopefully it goes down from here. It doesn't just shoot the crap up. And then this one's going to be a win probably. There you go. Going to the white line, second win.
Okay, well, that was 2 wins.
Okay, let's find some more.
Did that feel much easier than being 3 deep? And
Yeah, dude, 3 deep feels like murder to your brain. And you're right when you said that today, dude. Being 3 deep, NZD JPY, it might be like it's in a downtrend, but it's kind of like going up and then going down and going up. I just want to look for some waterfalls, dude. Now that we're 5 deep, Euro RUB is like pushing up real hard.
okay. What's
kinda-
the?
it's-
Is it a line?
it's-
Any
it's-
kind of? Yeah, there is a
Yeah,
line.
It's relieving pressure right now. Yeah, it's at a big
Okay, but
line.
while it dips red, if you're gonna take it while it dips. But
Well,
not
you
yet.
tell me if I should take it. You're better at this method.
Okay, well, hold on. It already did its dip. Usually,
it did
when
a
the
little
candle
dip.
opens, it'll dip, and that's when you should take it. But if you see in that split second when it dips, that whoa, this looks like a lot more than a dip. Like this looks like it's just going to be a red candle altogether,
Because this could be a waterfall up. This could be, it's kind of broken that line.
kind of like a stair step type thing.
Yeah, it's going down now. It's relieving pressure. It's relieving pressure. It's kind of like wanting to go back down. So I'm getting close to. Okay, let me see if it's going to go back down here, because I think we could probably get this
Well,
position
hold
like
on.
right
No,
here.
if it tanks like that in the last few seconds of the candle,
No,
that's
it's at the
usually not
bottom.
a good sign.
Oh, it isn't.
That's not a good sign. When it
Oh, that's because it's heading back down. But it was kind of going down to a level of resistance. So I still think it is going back up from there.
If this now this pulses up, and then if it dips back red, then that's when you want to take it. If so it's pulling up, now, and then when it pulses back down,
Like here?
well, hold on, because this is kind of a bigger candle. Okay,
I think like now.
yeah, do it.
Because look at what I'm looking at in this. It's kind of like, it's going like it dipped down, then it went up, then it dipped down, then it went up, then it dipped down. It's still going up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and this could pull up more here. So
Like I don't see this like turning around. I think
Right.
that those little moments of red are kind of the dips in the candle, even though they're a lot easier to see in this chart when it's dipping. They're a lot easier to see. Unless this just freaking turns on this. This is the problem with bidding in mid candle is like this next candle could be red.
right,
But we've got a
right.
great position. Oh, dude, this is going to be a big win. We got a
trading
great
in
position.
trading in the middle
Trading.
of the candle. Yeah.
Trading in the middle of this candle. This is going to be a big win, dude.
Yeah, this is going to be a win. We'll definitely win this one.
I could probably take another dip on this right here.
What,
Like-
okay, do it.
I don't know when it's going to start turning. Here's what I
Well,
don't
it
know.
could start turning. I mean, who
I don't
knows,
know
but-
if I believe this because like this one right here, you can see, I kind of hate to even look at the MACD and stochastic in a
Mhm.
chart like this because this is really more like, this chart is moving really slow. So I think it's going to relieve and go back up still, unless it just, but you see how the MACD and stochastic are cricking down in the 15 second? I don't know if that matters. I've never looked at that and thought anything of it. Because you can't look at it. In fact, I'm gonna shut them off because they don't really make any sense.
Okay,
they-
we got
they-
okay. As long as this goes up, we got a good position there, because if this goes up at all,
20
like-
seconds. So this next candle is gonna tell us. It's gonna tell us if it's gonna go back down. It's like there he goes. One.
okay, so this candle
there you go.
is going to be like Okay, so this
It might go down to here. See, it's gonna fight that line right there.
Yikes.
Come on, come on. There you go. There you go. Bam-a-dee, baby. There we go. Now we're cooking
Okay.
with gas.
How many is that?
We're at 4 wins, dude, and I don't think we had a loss since we switched over. Dude, we have not had a loss.
Yeah, man.
So what is the psychology of that? It's this
I
3
don't
deep
know.
thing.
I don't
dude.
know if
It's 3 deep that makes us freak out. We think, oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. With this, we're like, yeah, just take it. It's going up. Yeah, like right now, it's probably going down, dude. We should probably ride this down because it's about to cross.
Okay, so when that cranks up, okay, then if anything, put it. Hold on, let it go up though. Before
yeah,
you
I'm waiting
put it.
until I think
Okay,
it actually crosses.
probably
It's not. I'm not
about-
sure yet. I'm not sure yet.
You
I
think it's
want
going to keep going up from here, maybe?
Yeah, because the 15 seconds are like this. I'm trying to wait till they cross
Yeah,
down.
okay,
I
all
want
right,
to I want to
gotcha.
see them cross down, or at least get a higher position. But I think we should. Okay, so Stochasticus crossed down on this one. Stochasticus crossed. I think I should take it when it gets up here. Well, now it might just be going back up.
Yeah. Maybe.
So-
Yeah. Don't put it. Don't put it.
No,
now.
because now look at the pressure of the 15 second is like totally changed. Like
Yeah.
if it goes and crosses through that line though, then we're good. But right now it's like it's back and forth. Like it might just be too consolidating. We might just have to find a better line.
I gotta stand up.
Dude, we've been in this live stream for like 2.5 hours.
Yeah, but we're finally now making progress.
Yeah. Okay. Crap. Well, let's find some big waterfalls then. Oh, look at Citigroup. Dude, Citigroup's actually going down. It's about ready to break through like a major line of resistance. Oh, dude, yeah. It's at a line right now, but if it breaks this line, it could
Don't
be
even
going
say
down.
Citigroup to me right now.
It could look at
Okay, so
but for
Citigroup.
reals.
Yeah.
But
This
for
could.
reals.
This could. Okay, is it?
My
out of
pressure
line?
says
Yeah.
it's going down. My
It's
pressure
kind of
says
at a
it's
line,
going way
but
down.
yeah. You could almost take the next candle if you think it's going.
That's
down.
what I think. I think my pressure's saying it's going down. Like when it bumps back up here, I'm gonna wait. If I get a good jank up, I'm gonna take it. When it's gonna have to go up though. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. I think I'm just gonna take it now. If it turns around, we're screwed. Well, I mean,
Well-
not totally screwed because
Well, you kind of get a little bit lower position than the bottom of the candle anyway for some reason, but
it was retracting. But I was looking at the 15 second.
gotcha.
Come on, it was kind of like, dang it.
Oh yeah, that was a big turnaround.
It was a big turnaround. Okay, but like now, it still could win though. I don't know. It just
No.
doesn't feel like it's gonna win.
Doesn't feel like it.
So do you think this next candle is gonna be green, or do you think it's gonna be red? Is it gonna be green or red on the next candle?
I don't know. Why are you asking me?
I think it's gonna be green. I think I should just call it right now.
No,
It's-
that's a big green candle.
No, but
Oh, you're saying that they're
I'm
already
saying
going
that-
through. Okay, you're
yeah,
looking.
they're
at
cutting
15?
through the first line right now. If this opens up and keeps going up, I should probably take it.
Okay, well, if I trust you,
I don't know, because now it's wanting to consolidate.
it's
Hold
kind
on.
of consolidating.
But is it going back up?
Yeah, it actually. Yeah, I was gonna say you might want to take that now if you're gonna take it at all
Because it cut through the top, and other than I hope this isn't a real consolidation. Dang it! Come on.
I hope it's not a real one. Yeah, because then we're.
Oh, dang it! All right. Well,
You know, it's kind of pulling up. I mean, I don't know. It's not pulling all the way down, so we could get above that. If this will let out a
7,
little
6,
bit.
5, 4. We got 36. Okay, there we go. There we go.
There we go. Yeah.
I think
there
this
we
is
go.
what's going to happen.
Okay. Did it cut through on your 15?
It cut through the second. Yeah, dude, it's going high. Look at it.
I'm
look at it.
gonna look over at your 15.
Look at it. Look at the freaking thing.
Scoot in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit.
11 seconds. It went. I entered here because it was heading up. Oh, come on, come on. No, no, no. Come on.
Oh, come on.
I don't think it wants to go down there. I think it wants to go up. 2. There we go. We won. We
Oh,
won.
thank you.
Boom!
Lord. Yes.
That had to look really narrow in the other window.
I
Or,
wasn't
like
looking.
narrow.
I wasn't looking.
It had to look super narrow. It's cutting through. Okay, I'm
All
going
right,
back
change
to
it back to 160.
60. We're at 5. Dude, we're halfway through right now.
Yeah.
And actually, I think this is probably going to go up from here.
You think so?
Well, I don't know. Let's just go
It
find a better
doesn't look
chart.
like- it
This
looks
is just kind of wacky, Dak. Let's find a better
Yeah.
chart. We've got 5 wins, dude. In like 10 minutes. So can we
Yeah.
just finish this session? Euro RUB. Let's look at it. Yeah, dude. I should put Euro RUB like right now. It's going
Okay.
down through the second line. Yeah, I think it's going to the white line, and it's look at the 15-second candles. Look at that.
Zoom in.
Can you not see these?
I can now. Yeah. Now that you're zoomed in.
Oh, maybe I should make these 3. Hold on. Well, because it was going down to the white line. Hold on. It's got
Oh,
30
crap.
seconds. Hold on. It's got 30 seconds. It's still going down. It's about ready to MACD double cross. Okay, hold on. We'll watch it in 15 since
15
there.
is less scary.
20 seconds. It'll tell us if this pops red. This needs to crick red or we're going to lose it. See, you actually almost know exactly if you're going to win. Okay, there we go. This needs to crick down. That's not good. We're going to lose it.
We're going to lose it.
10 seconds. Well, I mean, unless it just totally jacks down.
No.
Okay. Well, that was
Yeah, this will see it's still going up. I mean, we can almost call it.
3.60.
You can almost call this right now because it's going up. I mean, I don't think it's going to the white line anymore.
No,
think
look
it's
at it.
just-
Look at it in the 15 second. It cracked through. It went down and then it was like, nope, and it cracked through. It's
Scoot in
through
so
up.
I can see this better.
Hold on. Let me just take this out there. Well, how many seconds does this have?
Oh, crap.
Well, there now it wants to go to the white line. But I don't think so. It's not going to, dude. It doesn't move that much in these candles. I think these candles are a little bit more fickle. They like I can see this candle, next candle is going to be green. Probably 20 seconds. There we go. It might shoot up now.
Come on, shoot up. Shoot
Come
up,
on,
shoot
baby.
up.
Come on. We got 13 seconds. So this next candle can open and go green. It's kind of farting around though. Come on, go green, go green. There we go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
come on, baby. Stay up there.
Come on,
Stay
come
up
on,
there.
come on, come on.
Stay up there. There we
Thank
go.
you,
There we
Lord.
go.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Ow.
Oh,
No. That was a
Oh.
loss. I think that
dang
lost.
it.
Did that lose?
Yeah.
Third trade 8-10. All right, let's
All right,
find
let's get off this stupid chart because usually we never have luck going on the same chart twice.
Oh, you're right. We need to be switching charts. Crap, you're right. We need to switch charts. That
What's
chart
happening?
juked us.
Yeah, what's happening? NZD USD. What's happening there?
I gotta pull this back.
It's kind of a crazy looking chart, but
I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. I mean, you tell me if something's
I
happening.
wish I could, but I can't. I'm gonna go look at the stocks.
NCD JPY. Oh, we missed that one. Okay.
American Express. I'm looking at that one. Yeah, that's crazy looking. See, now we're down to 3 trades anyway.
Yeah, but we're not going to think about that. Citigroup. Oh, we're on. Okay, Citigroup is coming out of there. It's a downtrend though. Citigroup might be turning around, dude. Look at Citigroup because we might be able to win it going up to the white line. Went up, went down, went down. It's at a big line right now. It's a bunch of doji candles, but the stochastic is starting to point up. You tell me if Citigroup's going up. In the 5 second, 15 second, it is kind of going up. It's starting to cross
It's
through.
like sitting right on a line, but
sitting on a line. It's kind of
But
consolidating.
it's starting to swing upward. It looks like a little
That's
bit.
what I'm
But these are
saying.
all
I
little
think-
doji candles. Now it's going down. So, what's the next trade?
810. Yeah, this one is crazy looking. But I do think it's probably going up from here. But I can't tell you for sure. We just need a big waterfall that looks really nice. It's not near the white line. Mike McDonald's. Huh. Right? Where's a big waterfall?
Looking.
American Express. Oh, American Express. Is that the one I was just on? Look at American Express. It's going down and it's kind of stopped a few times. I don't know if you think that might be going down. It's kind of like down below its lines of support.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks kind of crazy though.
It is kind of crazy. It's like it's gone down, but then it doesn't want to stay down there.
How many wins do we have?
We have 5. We're freaking killing it now. Oh man.
Okay,
NZD.
see, look at. Well, American Express looks like it's going to go up to the white line, but then at the same time, it also looks like it could just keep going down.
It just crossed through. Like
This is a big candle, so
yeah,
I mean-
it crossed through the first line though, and now it's retracting. I think you might be right about that, but we might want to wait till it
about which thing? I said both. I
that
said
it's going up to the white line.
Yeah, but I also said it could just be going to shoot
Yeah.
right back down.
It is. It's kind of like cranking down now. It's really crazy. I think we should call it
There's a lot
from like
of
up
wicks
here.
on here. I don't know, dude. This is very volatile.
Yeah,
We're
but
on
it's
third
stuck.
trade. We got
But it's stuck down there. Yeah, that's true. This is just rough waters for being on a third
Okay,
trade.
yeah, and then Boeing though. Look at Boeing.
We need something that feels right, dude. Something
Yeah,
that
I
feels
know,
right.
and it doesn't feel right. Boeing is sitting on a white line, but this candle looks like it's going to turn and go through this white line. The whole thing does, but it's a green candle right now. So
I don't know.
I feel
Looks
like ultimately it's going to pull down. But I feel like if we had taken that candle while it was up, we'd.
well, it's
we'd be
against the
winning.
white line. Do you want me to put it? I mean, when it gets
Well,
up here,
hold on. If that goes up at all, yeah, because now
it's
we're
kind of
gonna-
fighting. It's fighting itself. I mean,
Crap,
it's.
okay.
it's-
If you're going to take a put at all, we'd have to.
I don't
do
know
it
if I
when-
should. It's against.
I don't
the
know
white
that you
line.
should.
It's against the white line and the trend, and it's at a low point. So I mean, anything. I think it's going back up. I mean, like
Mhm.
when I think of white line rejection, I think this is it. But I don't know. It's possible that we should call it when it gets down here because it's oversold big time. I mean, it's not like overbought. If it was overbought, then I'd think, yeah, like it wants to. It doesn't want to break that white line. Look at it. I mean, it doesn't. It keeps going
Yeah.
down. I would take like a 2-minute call on this one if I was taking anything. But this is a dangerous one because it's right at the white line.
All right.
If you're talking about white line rejection, the 15-second candles are starting to hook up, and now they're starting to go back up, but now they're like down. They're like kind of, this is kind of like, yeah, we'd have to wait till it hit a low line and then take a call. Unless you think it's a real turnaround. It's hard to know. Okay, so the stochastic just cricked up, and it's going up. I think we should call it from right here. Can we call it from right here?
Let it go down.
Let it go
first,
back
though.
down to that thing. Yeah, because the stochastic is okay. The trend is up. Stochastic is cricking up. It's starting to.
Okay, ready?
pass
Take
through
it
the white
now.
line.
Now.
I did. I got
Okay.
you.
Now it's gonna go lower. Watch.
No, I don't think so.
No,
I
it's
don't
gonna-
think so. I
it's
think
gonna
I think
pull
this
back
is.
up.
I think this is an uptrend.
There it goes. Yeah,
right?
there it
I mean,
goes.
I think this is kind of an
Okay,
uptrend.
so now it's gonna go up. Okay. I want this candle to end above there, so I feel better about it. There we go. It's gonna end.
I think that this candle is really struggling. Like I don't.
There we
think
go,
that
and it jumped up. So I think we might have this one as long as it pulls up.
the 15-second candles, when that jumped, it crossed through, it's really, really raggedy up there, dude. Really raggedy, but it's pointing up still. This will tell me, yeah, we just crossed through the first red line. And
There we go. Yeah, it's pulled up a lot.
unless it really shanks out, then I think we're good on this one. I think it's a white line rejection. I think it's going up. Oh, it wants to go back down, but it's okay. We're at a super nice level. That's not a good sign right there. That is not good. Turn back around.
Pull up. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
No.
Oh geez, dude, that was so
Oh my
much of a.
gosh.
Let's see. That was a third loss. All right,
Yeah.
Well, we were right, dude. We were right. It was going up, but it just got down there. Dang it, stinker. That was jagged.
All right. What's the fourth
All right.
trade?
Well, all right. It's a fourth trade. It's not a big deal. It's 1830, and we got to win this so we can put our accounts in there. Let's go find a big waterfall and get Todd in his game.
Okay. Well, here's McDonald's. What's McDonald's doing? 'Cause
Don't freak out, bro. Don't freak out.
What's McDonald's doing? McDonald's looks like it's going to go up ultimately.
Yeah.
Looks like it's
I
an
mean,
uptrend. And
it looks like an uptrend. It's been going up and then it's been going down.
do you think you
it's
can
got
call
a big?
it from this candle, or do you think it's going to go down from here
I don't know. What do you think?
before
I'm
that
not
goes
sure.
up? Before that launches up? Oh my gosh, we missed it!
I'm not sure,
Crap, we missed it.
but I don't know though. It's got two big wicks. Look how big the wicks are.
Yeah.
In the 15 second, this looks dangerous because it's got a line of support back there, like it's sitting on a big line of support
okay.
right now.
All right.
See
Let me
right
find
there,
something.
like if it breaks that, yeah. But I mean, it's in my candles, it's not. It's kind of like
Okay.
stuck there. I still think you might have won that, but I don't know. This next candle could be red.
Yeah.
You know.
I can't believe that last one lost, dude. That looks so in the money, so secure.
NZDJPY is okay. It's got a stochastic cross up. Look at it. It's crossing up through the thing. It's kind of in a downtrend though. The stochastic is crossing up. It just crossed through the bottom of the red on the 15 second. It's possible that this is going to the white line. I don't know. But you look at that pressure and tell me, you think that's going up?
Not
mean, or is it-
necessarily. This chart's really,
Okay. It's
really
just
up
sort
and
of
down.
like you think it could be going down.
There's
like
no
that last
flow to
one.
that chart whatsoever, dude.
Okay, well, let's find one that's
Doesn't
flowing.
feel right. No. If that's what you're asking.
I'm saying, yeah, what does it feel right? Twitter is just massive. Twitter's just kind of weird, dude. Twitter's just going-
USD CAD is sitting on a line right now. I don't know if it's going to break it or not, but
USD CAD.
yeah. Because if it breaks it upward, then it could go up for a while. But draw a line on there. It's sitting in a line back there. You see that line back there?
Right here? Like
Yeah.
that's kind of the top of it up there. It hasn't really broken it. It wants to go down. I don't know. That's tricky. Like, is it turning around?
It's in an
Well, I think it
uptrend.
is turning around. I think it's going down. It's crossing down through the stochastic cross. The MACD is kind of getting ready to cross. I think if it got back up to that
So do you think
line-
on the next green candle you should put it?
Yeah, I mean, if I was gonna put it but it's the 15 seconds are real jagged. I mean, they're like right up here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like I don't know because it's real jagged, and then
Whoa,
it just happened.
that was crazy.
Yeah, something just happened. Something weird just happened.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was freaking odd. Okay.
Well, dude, that's happened a lot lately. It's like the whole thing resets.
yeah, how does that happen?
I don't know. I think they're faking with us.
All right, well, never mind that then.
Euro RUB might be going to the line, but it's probably already there. Uh-huh. Ah, Netflix might be going back up. Well, find a nice chart that you like, man. I want you to feel good about this. Netflix is sort of going up, isn't it? It's got a big old candle there, though. That's not right. It's crossed out of there. Boom. Well, how do we go from winning like 5 in a row? Facebook, dude. Oh, Netflix did exactly what I thought it was going to do.
Okay, Netflix is kind of going up, yeah. Does it look like it's going to break out of this and go upward? What's your 15 seconds showing?
Yeah, I mean it.
But they're in a but it's in a block. Remember, I've talked about that like block area where it's consolidating in.
Yeah, well, from way back there.
It's kind of in that range. Yeah,
Yeah.
it goes all the way back. All the way back to about 212.
This one I'm not really sure because it's basically like trying to get above this, you know. But like if it goes above this, we could probably get a few candles. Like if we think it breaks it, it's with the trend, so it crossed over. If the MACD crosses on this,
Yeah.
I mean, if the MACD reaches up and crosses, the stochastics just crossed just now.
Yeah.
But I mean,
see,
the
I'm wondering if
stochastics
it's-
already crossed, but
I don't know if it's going to break this or not.
I don't know. It's above it now, but it could. That's why maybe we should take the MACD cross on this. I don't know, or maybe just you tell me if you think it's going up because it already broke the main
Broke
line.
that
It's
line.
hit that line, hit it, went up, hit it, and you know it's got some down pressure, but it's still pointing straight up. Like I think we could just take it the next time this candle dips. You want to just take it now?
Yeah, go for it.
I mean, dude, I don't know. It could turn straight freak around, and then I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to take a break. But I think it's going
up, bro. It's going to go. I have confidence that this is just going to shoot up from here because it was kind of in that, and I think it's just ultimately going to go upward. So here we go. We're going to get a high position. And 3, 2, 1, and
Come
boom,
on, baby.
we're
Come
above
on.
it in the 1
Come
minute.
on.
So as long as this next candle keeps going up like it looks like it's going to do. Oh, Lord, give us a
It looks like the MACD kind of like didn't quite cross, but it looks like it wants to. It's kissing big time right now.
Yeah, I think it's going to.
I think after this win, we should stop because it's almost 4 my time, which the charts get kind of jank wank around this time. Like I hope this one wins. Come on.
Come on, go
No,
up.
no.
Go up.
Come
go
on.
up,
I'm
go
going
up,
to
go
show
up,
you in
go
the
up.
15-second,
Go up,
and
go
I
up,
think
go
we're
up.
good. I think we're
Go
good.
up,
Yep,
go
we're
up,
good. We
go
got
up.
it. We got it.
we
It
got
shot
we
straight
got
up,
it,
dude.
got
It
it,
shot
got it,
straight
got
up.
it, got it. Thank you, Jesus.
505.33. Okay.
How many did we win? How many did we win?
505.33. So we have made $8 profit from where we started yesterday. So we're
Don't even tell me this. Don't even tell me what I know you're fixing to tell me.
we won 6 trades, dude. Well, 6 since we stopped screwing around and started doing it.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 2.5 hour live stream.
Okay.
We have chatters. Let's see who there. Gotham left early. Yeah, 2.5 hours. We are at the same spot as we were. Yesterday when we were at wins, we're at 505. I think we're a little bit lower than that. We have $8.33 profit. We really need another $4 to win this level, but I think it's too. I think the waters are getting kind of murky, dude.
Yeah, let's just wait till it's moving smooth. Because, dude, when it was smooth, I feel like the charts kind of changed between those first 4 or 5 wins
They did.
and this last one.
Yeah, because we lost 3, dude, in a row.
We were on a big winning streak and then got onto a kind of a losing streak. So we'll stop for today. Let's keep on with this plan. So we're doing 10 wins a day for 15 days, right? Well,
Yep.
not 15. We're not going to stop there, but
Right, 15 days. That's our big goal. 15 days right here.
okay. And then
Put this in purple. Big goal. And we're sitting at
That'll put us
basically.
that'll put us. Sorry, that'll put us at a yearly track of 43,000.
Look, Raya, she's always telling us to do this. Please stop martingaling. Take your logs and do a calculation of what if you use, say, a fixed 5% risk. We would be lost. We would lose.
We would have lost. No. The
trust
answer
me.
to that is no.
Well,
you
listen.
cannot.
I've already done this.
I have said this repeatedly. If you don't martingale, you don't win at this. I don't care what you are or what you say or who you are. You can't win if you do, because even the people that say, "Oh, I don't martingale," they hit the button twice when they lose and
Well,
try to make
they
it up.
do
That's
that.
martingaling. That is martingaling. I hit the button 4 times if I lose 3 times or lose twice.
Okay, that is martingale, but I think
that's
she's
martingale.
saying. I think she is saying just don't do any of that. But let me just tell you from my experience. I did try because a couple months ago you said that. I've been bugging Todd for like a couple
He was
months.
convinced that was the way to go.
And I did it on my own. And I would win, and then I would lose, and I would win, I would lose, and I would win, I would lose. But then, you know, I would get emotional, and then I started hitting the button multiple times. But the thing is yeah, I would leave my sessions sometimes up a little bit, sometimes down a little bit. I never lost my account. I never got into really hard trouble.
You
But
dwindle.
I
as
dwindled
quickly.
my account a bit, and then
Not
I
as
just
quickly.
realized if I had just been martingaling, I wouldn't have lost any money. I would have just, you know.
Yeah.
So we've
Anybody
decided,
who can win, and here's the thing: anyone who can win without martingaling could
Right.
just as easily martingale.
That's
because you're
what-
only
that's the-
leaving.
that's the final point.
That's the final point. Yeah, because you cannot
If you can
win,
profit without martingaling, then you can profit while martingaling.
then you can just martingale and not leave any money on the table because
'Cause
you
you
have,
have to
to
win.
win 3 out of 4. You have to maintain a ratio of 3 out of 4 wins. You have to.
You
or
have
you
to,
cannot
or
be
you- or
profitable.
your
the math
martinga-
doesn't lie. Yeah.
Yeah, your non-martingaling trading will, at your 5% risk. So maybe some days you lose a whole bunch of money. The next day you win a bunch of money. The next day, but at the end of the week, maybe you could profit. But overall, you have to win 3 out of 4. And what Todd is saying,
Right.
if you can win 3 out of 4, then you can just martingale and never lose anything.
Right.
Kind of like us. We can, like today, had we not been martingaling, we won 6 and lost 3. And I think that would have been maybe a profit, a small profit.
Okay, but when you look at we won 6, lost 3, but did we? Okay, but put in
No,
the-
because 10. Okay, so if we had made $10 trades times 0.8 times 6, we would have made $48, and then we would have lost 3, so we would have lost $30. So we would have made $18. She's right in the sense of
no,
the basic.
because
of-
take our other trades too.
well,
okay,
those.
Let's start out from the
Gee,
beginning.
Okay,
we
from
have to be
what
fair.
we did today,
We had how many
Well, I
losses
guess-
did we have before we got a win?
I guess we were trying before. We were trying, so I guess we.
So
can
we
take
were only
the-
3 deep, but we had 2 losses, then a win, right?
Well, I don't know. Let me see. From earlier, we lost. Let's
we
just
went
go
to a
ahead.
third trade the very first try.
Oh, did we? Okay.
Yep. That's not a profit.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, we went loss, loss, win, loss, loss, and then I accidentally, I lost that, and then I lost, win, loss, win. Dude, we would have lost so much money.
Yes.
On that first set of our
Yeah,
section.
What's your overall win rate for every live trade you've ever taken? More losses than we've won.
Yeah,
Without-
we'd have to be like, I mean,
Without
if you look at-
martingaling, yeah, we would have.
yeah, you'd have to actually look and see what your win rate was. I can't figure out where it was. I'll have
over
to
in your
find-
profile.
I looked at yours a trading profile.
Well, I can tell you where it's at. Hold on.
Oh, I got it right here. Okay. Profitable deals today were only 44%. So today we would have totally lost money. Your
Mhm.
all-time is 50%. I mean, that's all time.
That's a
man.
loss. That's a big fail in terms.
Yesterday, you were at 60%. So yesterday you would have won. So it's like some days you're going to win, some days you're going to lose, but overall, if you're at a 50% win rate, then you lose. But that's not fair for us, because to say that we're at a 50% win rate, that's because we are martingale traders. We always take risks and trades and losses knowing we're going to get the win. So, I mean, if you just look at our overall win rate, 50%, but we actually you can still win doing that at martingaling. You don't have to have
Yeah,
like,
today's profitable deals were 44% overall. Every trade we placed was 44% overall. So that is a big loss if you're not martingaling. Huge. But the trading profit for today, including that debacle that we had at the very beginning, overall we lost 88 or 86 cents today. That's where we're
Oh,
at.
right. Oh, okay. I figured we were
So-
down a little bit from yesterday.
So we started so right now we are roughly about where we were yesterday when we ended.
When we
So
won. Yeah, we basically are back to day one.
Back
We
to-
basically cleared day one,
cleared
back
day
to day
one
two.
in the plan yesterday, but not.
but we had to re-clear it because we lost the $20 trade. That was my fault. The worst debacle that I've ever done. Had I placed a 1 minute, I would have won it, but I was on a totally different chart.
Yeah, he wasn't even on the chart that I told him to be on, which, by the way, my option would have won there. So, but that's okay. It's neither here nor there. It's over with. It doesn't matter.
But now we have to win 3 or 4 more trades at this level.
But
because I'm gonna
the
do our
answer
win.
is no. We will never stop martingaling. If we do, we'll fail. If it works for you, now here's what I will say.
Some
'Cause
people
I'm not,
can.
I'm not
dude. I
telling
think
you.
some
I'm
people
not
can.
telling you you're wrong. If you somehow mathematically come out on top, then you are winning more than you're losing, far more than you're losing. You're winning 3 out
And
of
in
4
that
trades.
case, you could totally martingale and you would win even more money.
But then you should just martingale because you would never leave money on the table. You would never. It would cancel out all of your losses. If you are not martingaling because martingaling cost you all your money, then you're not winning the other way either. I promise
that's
you.
That's what Todd's been fighting with me about. I've been fighting with him for like 3 months on martingaling. I've been saying, please, let's just try this other way. And finally, I realized because I went on my own and did it. He's like, yeah, if you're winning good enough to win without martingaling, then you can martingale and never lose. Because
Right.
you have to be winning almost every single trade. You cannot. And let's be clear.
If you're martingaling, let's be clear. Let's say you have $250, you could go 7 deep, okay, in a martingale system. All right, you only have to be good enough to win 1 out of 7 trades to make
Yeah.
a profit. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you say, "Well, crap, I'm losing my butt martingaling because I can't win 1 out of 7," all right, I think I'll just go and trade 5% on my account, and now you're still losing more than 7 in a row.
Then you're gonna be like,
But
just
you're
blowing
somehow
your account.
now thinking that you're profitable. I'm sorry, that's not business. That's not logic.
Well-
There's no sense in that. You can't win that way. I mean,
I
explain
think
to
martingaling
me-
scares people because it really does scare you to go deep. But if you can't,
Right.
But like you're saying, if you can't win 1 out of 4, then you might as well be martingaling or not even doing this. And that's
Right.
what I learned. I learned it on my hard way. I actually, I don't know how to say this girl's name, Ara. Ara, I did exactly what you. I've been listening to your comments, and I did what you said.
Yeah,
I went in on my own in my own account. I started doing $10 trades, and I was winning. And I was like, Todd was calling me, and he's like all mad at me. I'm like, I'm just trading. And I'd be like up $50, and then I'd be down 100, then I'd be up 50, then I'd be down 100, and then I just never could get ahead. I mean, I just kept. You need 56 to 58% win rate to have a positive expectancy. This is why people prefer forex over binary. In forex, you can get a.
that is not true either. Not if you have the
She's
money
right.
in
No,
the
dude,
backup
look,
to go.
She's
to
saying
go-
that without martingaling, you just need a 58% win rate. She's probably
Okay, yes,
right.
yes. If you're not martingaling,
Yeah. Yes.
if you're not martingale, well, okay.
Your win rate
56
can be in
Okay,
the crapper.
can't wait. Can your win rate be? Yeah, your win rate can be terrible if you're martingaling, and you
Yeah,
can still come out
'cause
ahead.
you could win 1 out of 5 trades and still.
I
have
don't
a
think
profit.
56. Okay, Eric, do the math because I think she's wrong. 56%.
No, it's
to
around
58.
60%. I thought it was 60, but it So
I
let's
think it's
say if
got to
you
be
do-
over that to make a profit without martingaling.
I think it's 60%. She's saying 56 to 58, so she's probably right. I think this girl knows what she's talking
But
about.
that
I mean,
okay, but either way, that's still you have to win at least 3
Yeah.
out of 4 trades.
Okay, so yeah, 3 out of 4. Okay, so 3 out of 4. 3
That's
divided by
75%
4,
win
that's
rate, bro.
75%. So
Yes.
But
Yes.
let's say because if you win 2 out of 4, but that's in the most basic sense. What if you won 6 out of 8 or 6? Okay, let's see, 56%. Let's say if you win
Okay.
8 divided by.
You make the point. Also, if you martingale, you always start at 1%, so the progress is very low.
Yes,
No,
that's
it's not
true.
necessarily 1%. It can be different depending on how deep. We have all these charts.
Yeah, we actually started at like a 0.5% or a 1/4%,
Yeah.
but that's just
It
because
depends how deep you want to go. If you want to go 5 deep, you start at 0.02%, 0.022% of your account. If you want to go 5 deep, if you want to go
of not of
4
your
deep,
account of what you're willing to risk. Because when we martingale, we say we're gonna risk $100. We're gonna go 5 deep. That's 0.022 of $100. So your first trade at $100, and you can't even do that. You have to go. You have to go even times 0.022. That's $2.20. So yeah, if you had $100, you could do it.
We're starting at like $50 or something. So yes, the progress is slow. That's correct. Yes.
But I actually think that no matter what, if you martingale and you get up the chart, let's say you martingale and you get up the chart here, you get up to where you're making in our chart right here by day number like 30. So if we just win 10 wins a day, by day 30 you're making a 10 $176 trades, and those are wins because you're going to win all of them because you're martingaling every single time. So your account has 8,000 in it, but you're only trading off of like a quarter percent or 0.022, which is actually what 2%. You're only doing 2% of your account.
Right.
So you're saving, you're allowing yourself to go
a lot
deep.
safer.
So if you win, like I don't know if you weren't martingaling how you would win that much money. Because if you win that times 10, you've won $1,400 in 10 trades, and we win every night, all the way for like 45 days. We were winning 12 trades a night. We run about 500 trades. Now we lost a ton, but we martingaled every single one of them, all 450 wins.
Right.
So the only reason we have screwed ourselves up is because we keep changing our trading strategy, not our financial strategy.
Right.
We keep trying different what do they call them? Trading strategies, like do this and that, and this crosses. We've been testing out
we
a
tried
bunch
a
of
few
strategies.
different things. All I know, I got 500 to 2,000 in 2 months with a 58% accuracy with 5% fixed bets. I mean,
That I believe you can do that. So
please,
500 to 2,000 in
Just
2 months.
my
That's pretty good,
experience.
actually. 500 to
Martingale, most
2,000.
days are okay, but then that one day comes. Okay, yeah, that one day comes, but here's the thing. I think you
Dude,
gotta,
let's imagine she started with 500. Let's do this, $500, and let's say she's winning. Let's say she wants to go 5 deep, 0.022, 0.022, and let's say she wins like 5 trades a day, wins 5 trades a day. From $500 in 2 months, you would have $72,000. That's the only thing I can say. If you if you did what I just said, if you took your $500 and won 5 trades a day, and if you martingaled and won, then you're good enough, dude. You're good enough to do this. If she did this for 60 days, she would have, instead of $2,000, she would have $72,000. That's 5 wins a day.
five wins a day. Yeah.
So you just left $70,000 on the table by not martingaling. That's the
Right.
truth of it. Because if you're
Right.
good enough, if you have a 58% win rate,
Then you win at
absolutely
least
could
1
do
out of
it.
5. There's no way you don't win 1 out of 5.
You could totally do this chart. You could start with your $500 again, and in 2 months you would have 70 grand. Now, the way you're doing it is you're winning enough. You're winning enough to actually win all that money, but you're losing all those losses you're taking as a loss. Now, I don't think it's safer. I don't think it's safer if you're that good. I actually think you should try a 15-day chart. Start with $250 and start with 5 deep. And you would take this chart and you would do that. You would start $250. So $250 you would put in your chart. You would go 5 deep, and you would win 5 trades a day. And then basically by 15 days later, you'd have $800. By 30 days later,
let
you'd have
me address
3,000.
something real quick. What he said is exactly right. You've left a lot of money on the table. You mentioned a good point, though. That one day comes, okay? I want to talk about that for 1 second here. Yes, you're right. There is that one day where you go in and it seems like all the charts are against you and nothing you can do. You place a trade and it goes the exact opposite way, and it seems to do it every time.
Stop right there. No, yeah, stop trading. But that's the day. That's why I've always not wanted to martingale, because of that one day. She's right. If you're not martingaling, you just take the loss, you go home, you go do something else, and you come back the next day and you just start again. But keep going. You've left $70,000 on the table, though. You still left a $50,000 to $60,000 to $70,000 profit because you're still good enough. I mean, if you lose 5 in a row, and that's the thing. If you follow what we're doing, there is a sense of Here's what happens. There's a sense of what we call fortifying. So we're going to go up 3, 4, 5, 10 days.
Hold on,
we're
I'll
going to
be right
drop
back.
Okay. Then we're going to
I
drop
just blew a breaker or something. Something just happened with my power. I don't know. Hold on.
Okay, well, I'm going to end the live stream here in a minute. Basically, what we do is we go up to like day 5, then we drop back to day 3, then we go back up to day 10, then we drop back to day 7. So what you're doing, what you're actually doing is, 5 was the most losses in a row. So at some point, you would have blown your account during that 2-month period. So what you would want to do, and this is what we've been struggling with, is go up 5 days or 10 days, and then drop back 5. So when you blow your account, if you ever blow your 5th trade, you actually still are protecting some of your profit. So you're really only bidding on a percentage of your trade. And then, so part of what we did is, it's kind of complicated, but it's called fortifying. It's basically like step backwards in the plan and take some money and put it into your account. So if you're ever blowing your full account, you're never going to blow your full account. That's why on this thing, we have this thing like Todd's account's at $497, and basically he's starting his trading balance at $25. So if he goes 15 days and blows it, he's still got $497. It's scary and psychologically very taxing to reach that with martingale. And you're right, and we have not done it yet. It's psychologically terrifying. And that's why I pushed Todd so much to not martingale. And then I tried not martingaling, and then I realized, I don't know, maybe I'm with you. If you're succeeding, even though it's like, well, maybe you left a lot of money on the table, but then on the other flip side of the table, you've went 2 months and made $1,500. We've been doing this for 2 months, and we have made zero. We're still zero because we've blown our martingale trades, I think, like 3 times or 4 times in the last 40 days. So we won like 450 trades, but then we lost one day, and then we kept going. We were always fortified, so we never had to go all the way back to the beginning. We'd go back a little bit, then we'd keep going, and we go back a little bit, and we keep going. And it's super frustrating, 100% frustrating. I think that's why I have not focused on the money part. I've focused on getting better at trading, just getting better at doing this, because if I can get better at doing it and really solidify the psychological part of it, it's almost like the terror of losing. If I can get rid of that, then I actually can.
My freaking
then
power
I'll
keeps
win.
flickering.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
So, Ara,
But it is scary and psychologically very taxing to reach that with Martin.
I said this when you were gone, but basically she's already made more money than us in the last 2 months because she hasn't blown her account
Okay.
like we have. We keep blowing our account, even though we're not having to put more money in. We're protecting it. And she had some close calls. She said she went to she lost a 5th trade 1 time during the whole month or 2 months that she was going. So she's a good trader.
Okay.
You could
Then-
go 6
then-
deep.
yeah, then-
Go 6 deep and then fortify. And I already talked about that. Go up 10 levels, step back 5. Go up 10, step back 5. Go up 10, step back 5. But definitely keep watching, because we like the conversation. We like the chats. We like seeing. I'm actually really happy that you're making it. Just keep doing what you're doing, because you know what psychologically you can do. I mean, I'm terrified. Todd's terrified of losing a 5th trade, and that's why it is slower.
But you know what I've found? Here's what I found, dude. And I just realized this in the last few minutes, just now, because we've tried all different depths in the martingale. I feel like 5 is our sweet spot, dude. 5 is where we seem to thrive. 5 is where we thrive. That rhymes. I'm a poet and didn't know it. But because I feel like that's where we've always done well. That's what we started out at with $80 a while back, and we did really well.
We did really well. 5 is like, it is kind of a sweet spot for us. It gives us enough
But you know
freedom.
what? My advice, though, is if you feel like that one day comes where the charts are just kind of against you, start off in demo. Okay, start in demo. They're the exact same charts. Try it and test the waters there. If it feels like, dude, because I've noticed that when you're losing, all right, and when you're winning, you're winning. So if you feel like, if you spend a few minutes or however long it takes you to get a couple of trades in demo, then see like, okay, this is not my day, and then don't trade that day. And we've gone several days. We went like a week without trading because the charts were extremely volatile for like a whole week. So
yeah, we freaked out. We didn't freak out. We didn't lose. We didn't.
no, but we didn't. There were no good opportunities. Bro, I'm gonna have to hop off here. My power keeps flickering. It's like really windy where I'm at.
Oh wow. Okay.
And so my computer, and so I'm worried it's gonna cut my internet. So
Yeah, cut it out. All right, we'll see you guys on the next episode. Have a good night.
all right.
Yeah.